I got ace, punch my boss in the face. He's always on my case about how I'm running late. Like, wait, hold on. Best keep your mouth shut when you talk to the dawn. Mattress full of cash, custom whip with my name on the dash. Sleep in when I want, Wagyu steak rooftop restaurant. Big house in the hills, not a single worry about how I pay the bills. Key to all the spots, private island party where we only push yacht. Got ace, punch my boss in the face. He's always on my case about how I'm running late. Like, wait, hold on. Best keep your mouth shut when you talk to the dawn. Sorry, your call, I missed it. My give a shit level non-existent. I ain't in the mood for decisions, so if you can read, go check on Indeed. Yeah, I need an assistant. Run my errands for me, cause when I go on grocery shop, man, they staring at me. This dude glaring at me, his girl wearing my tee. We inline our life story, oversharing with me. Mattress full of cash, custom whip with my name on the dash. Sleep in when I want, Wagyu steak rooftop restaurant. Big house in the hills, not a single worry about how I pay the bills. Key to all the spots, private island party where we only push yachts. Homegrown prodigy, own my own row housing, that's monopoly. Feel it in my bones, that's prophecy. Goated like Moses, so tell me who's stopping me. You think that you special? That's comedy. Mountaintop meditation in the morning. Someone sitting all the meetings that I find boring. A yes man, never been important, my stock soaring. Tax man, hate the way I'm offshoring. He get doormat, his bag is where the floor bad. It's not my fault you never get this life, they call me Borat. You know it be for sure that the green surrounding me like I'm serving up the forecast. Mattress full of cash, custom whip with my name on the dash. Sleep in when I want, Wagyu steak rooftop restaurant. Big house in the hills, not a single worry about how I pay the bills. Key to all the spots, private island party where we only push yachts. Got an office at the bank, cracked the pack open, now the whole office stank. Business extender, don't need a lender. I'm more Dave Grohl, they the pretender. I am alive, I won't spend the next 95 at a 9 to 5, and a desk job need not apply. You said you wanna work here though. Well, I guess I lied. In my deathbed, straight vibing. Long life, well lived, I am describing. Volcano hang gliding. From now on, I'm doing me. That's the life that I am prescribing. With a hippie chick eating psilocybin. Yellow submarine, deep sea, deep diving. Like I'm in a terrible state, no Ivan. What's wrong trying to spend your day freestyling? This ain't a wish list, I take what I wanna. Don't ask for forgiveness. You have what I need, you come home and it's missing. I'm sealing your weed and I empty your kitchen. I'm eating your riblets. I puff up my chest like a frog when it ribbits. I'm not with the cynics, go sleep with the fishes. Living outside of your limits. Don't ask how I'm moving, just know that it's different.
Good morning. Happy Friday. Welcome to the Art of Crypto. I'm JR Prince. Because we be printing, we be chilling, we be trading, we be gooning. God, I remembered. We be gooning. Where's what's his name? What's his name, bro? Curbstar. We be gooning, bro. My fucking hometown homie. Oh, pardon my French. Look at the long print, baby. Well, the short print first. But look at the long print now. I should have dropped it, but I figure I deserve sleep too. Even though I woke up and TP'd and saw it. I deserve sleep too. But yeah, if you're not in the long, hopefully you're in the short from yesterday. Just kidding. No, but so yesterday we had a short from here. Failed, am I frozen? Okay, cool. So failed bullish or blah 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 liquidity sweep right here. So we shorted from there. Barely got a 1-to-1. It was a 1-to-1 though, but barely got a 1-to-1. Anyway, so we got like a 1-to-1 stop and profit type thing. And then re-entered in the Discord. Joined the Discord. In the Discord, we be printing in the Discord. No, dropped it in the Discord anyways. Right here. Live trading in the Discord. And dropped it in setups and premium in the Discord. See what I'm doing there? I don't even know what I'm doing. But yeah, so magical white line. It got teased back here. It teased my magical white line back here. But now we got a juicy sweep of the magical white line. And dropped the short in the Discord. Banger! Sorry if I'm yelling. But I'm lit, bro. Just kidding. But no, 1 to 7.79. Good trade. Good trade. And let me catch up in the chat here. I just don't want to miss out on this juicy long. I just want to see if I should enter. Think about entering. Not enter. Let's see. It's kind of dange, but I'll do it. It's kind of dange, but I'll do it. So yeah, I'm in this. Let's check the 5-minute for the freaking micro wankers. Okay, so we're gonna get a pullback continuation. Let's go. I know the fib's sloppy. I know the fib's a little sloppy. You guys don't get too carried away. Don't call the nerd police about the sloppy fib. Don't call the nerd police about the sloppy fib. Anyways, right there, re-entry. Stop a little lowish. Go for up here again or what? Somewhere up here. It's either gonna be here-ish or here-ish. So we'll try that. See how it goes. Doesn't mean it's gonna work for sure. Just because we've been doing bangers on bangers on bangers all week long doesn't mean this is gonna work perfectly. But what a week, you guys. I can't wait to delete these, but it's nice looking at them too. What a week. Beautiful. Sorry, I love it when we have a smooth week like this. This is crazy. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yeah, there we go. I don't know, something like that. Took a couple stops trying to short here. Not a big deal. Hopefully we get this little pullback here for the re-entry. For the juicy re-entry. So if you want to short into that, if you're a micro anchor, go nuts. If you don't want to short into it, don't go nuts. Not financial advice, educational, entertainment purposes. Always appreciate each and every one of you. Let's catch up in the chat. So I'd go over the chart first because that's what everyone wants, right? Everyone wants the charts. Dutchy, I don't want Dutchy coming in here throwing clogs at me. And mocha cheers, you guys. Happy Friday. I hope you guys come have a drink tonight. Join us on Crypto Coin Mindset for Crypto on the Rocks. We be drinking, we be blazing, we be chilling, we be printing on Crypto Coin Mindset, Crypto on the Rocks tonight. If a mod has a link, that'd be sick. If not, I'll find it in a bit. Shout out to Stephen Hickey, hockey stick emojis, baby. Good morning, Ninja Gang. Shout out to Stephen Hickey. Gonna drop some beautiful Stephen Hickey hockey stick emojis in the chat. Shout out to you, sir. Also, I feel like I should show you guys this awesome video Dave made, bro. Dave Digital's a freaking little AI savant legend, bro. Shout out to Dave Digital. Man, I got sleep in my eyes, you guys. I'm so sleepy. Anyways, hockey sticks. I feel like I should set a limit order here. Let's put a little extra sauce on this. I don't want to get too comfortable with the easy range play here. Eventually it's not gonna work one day here. One day they're gonna say, nah, forget about it. We're going lower. We're going higher. Do we have any targets lower? Speaking of lower. So we already hit these white lines. Do I gotta find new white lines now? Ah, we got one more dirty dark white line down here at 60,000, you guys. So this range could pop down. But we also have these juicy targets up here. We got liquidity up here at 65.7, 66.9. Daily moving averages at 69 and 71.5. So well, there's some upside targets too, so don't get too sad here. Let's check out the 4 hour quick. I just want to see. This 4 hour looks dirty, bro. This 4 hour looks like we might be going to this white line down here. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. 60,000. Get ready for it. It's possible. Possible, tossable. Hopefully not, though. Hopefully not. 1 hour looks good. Half hour looks okay. 15 minute. I wish it would have been weeks. But 4 a.m.'s 4:30 a.m. is pretty early to wake up to your cat puking on your freaking bag, bro. I woke up to my cat puking on my bag. Then I had to feed it like a good servant. Cause I work for my cat. That's what my life has come down to. The cat tells me what to do. And I just listen. Because I'm nice. Stupid cat. Anyway, Stephen Hickey, hockey stick emojis in the chat. We'll check out the Dave Digital video in a sec. Sorry, I got sidetracked, you guys. Might be streaming longer today, too. I don't know. See if anyone shows up. If extra people show up, then I'll stay longer. If not, we'll just have a normal gig, bro. That's pretty much the end of my... I'm good to go now. I just wait. Wait for the re-entry. Stephen Hickey, hockey stick emojis. Where are these hockey sticks you guys are hiding from me? Kevin Hawthorne, Florida's finest. Don't tell Steve. Hi, Steve. Just kidding. And Donato. We got Donato Cabrera. Shout out to you, Donato Cabrera, you absolute bloody legend. And good morrow. Good morrow. I got some smoked out emojis in the chat for you. Smoky, smoky, smoky. Hopefully the music's not too loud. It is Friday. Don't be a bitch. G13, baby. Good morning. G13. Was that 13? Sounded like 13, right? Good morning. I think it was 13. It's so hard to count that fast. Good morning, G13. I hope you had an epic week. Hope your trading is up. Hope you're printing well. Being a good lad. Shout out to you. Where am I? Just kidding. Where am I? Holy, this chat's lit. You guys are lit this morning. What the frick, bro? You guys got Baileys in your coffee? You guys drunk? G13. Melissa One Love. Good vibes always. Good morning. My good vibe. My good vibe ninja. My good vibe only ninja. Shout out to you. It's so weird calling a chick that. It just sounds weird in my head. Anyways, good morning, Melissa. Good vibes always. Let's get some. We got some good vibes sparkly hearts here too. Just found them. Pretty proud of it. And they're for you. Shout out to Melissa One Love. Absolute bloody legend. Spreading good vibes throughout the land. G13, Stephen Hickey, hockey stick emojis, Donato Cabrera, Melissa One Love, Busy B. Busy B. Seti Spaghetti, Seti Setterson, Anchor Gang. Sometimes all you need is an anchor. B-Wop, his favorite and mine. Shout out to Seti Spaghetti. Mr. Anchor Gang himself. The leader, rumor has it. Don't come after me, all set. Rumor has it. The leader of the Anchor Gang. Shout out to all set. And Rashad, the crypto legend. Good morning, Rashad. We got some Afghan flags in the chat for you, sir. Some juicy Afghan flags. Shout out to Rashad, the crypto legend. Mike Vollmer, Darren does things. Good morning. Mike Vollmer, the mod king, you guys. I got some crowns for you, buddy. The mod king. I'll just here. I got a picture actually. This is a stock photo of Mike, the mod king, in the chat here. Stock photo in the chat. Emojis. Shout out to Mike Vollmer, the mod king. Mr. Muchacho. Good morning, Al Jr. Mr. Muchacho himself. He be chachin'. Shout out to Mr. Muchacho. He be chachin'. That doesn't make sense, but I just made it up, so we're gonna run with it. Darron does things, you absolute legend. Shout out to Darron does things. Thanks for hooking me up with the help yesterday, Darron. I do appreciate it greatly. I got a cup of tea for DDT, and there's extra there. Contrary to popular belief, Darron does share. Darron does share, you guys. Grab a cup if you're thirsty. And if you want a juicy mocha, I know someone that could hook you up. So, just give me a nudge. Just give me a nudge and I'll hook you up with a juicy mocha. Camster, the Ninja Hamster. Good morning, Camster, the Ninja Hamster. Missed you, buddy. Dude, we got Camster, the Ninja Hamster in the house. Shout out to Camster. Legend. Waiting for the re-entry. Solana just keeps stopping me out and not listening to me ever. Oh, listen to me here. I guess I haven't been giving it the attention it deserves. But it's been being a piece of garbage. Look at this. All week, bro. Okay, once it didn't. When was this, though? That was Friday. That wasn't even this week. So once it did stop me out. Hit my stop. F you, Solana. That's why I use a wider stop and ladder in a bit. But hey, we're not going to get into it. Doesn't matter. Nothing wrong with taking a stop. So, then this one too. Look at this. Pew! Right here. Pew! Dirty little wiki. I should have known better. How wide was this stop? How wide was this? 0.6%. Anyway, so that happened. And then, short went fine. Garbage. But I was in the trade, but it's like the setups is what I'm worried about here, okay? It's a different thing. Solana's being a piece of garbage. Long story short. Bitcoin's been being freaking absolutely a angel to me. A beautiful little angel. I actually didn't believe in angels until Bitcoin was so good to me lately. Look at no stop. 2 stops. That was me. That was more me than it was her. Is Bitcoin a her? I trade way too much, bro. I'm in a relationship with Bitcoin. Anyways, it was me. It wasn't Bitcoin's fault. And then banger again, banger. And right now, hopefully we get the re-entry. If not, I don't know. I'm already in my Solana log, so hopefully that works out too. I guess we could draw both. We could take another Solana stuff, I guess. Didn't even reach my target up here. So let's leave that there. Wait for that. This doesn't even look strong either. Look, I feel like, I don't know, man. It just looks weak, but I gotta try it. I see what I want to see. I gotta try it. Gotta try it, you guys. So here we are trying on a Friday. Shady Friday long. Let's go. Shady Friday long. Let's go. So I'm in Solana long. Bitcoin waiting for that re-entry. Not sure if I'm going to get it. This pull... Yeah, we'll keep an eye on that. ETH. Hashtag FETH. Shout out to OC, the indicator god. FETH. Oh, Steve! Dude, Steve! Look at how close it got to my re-entry, bro. Remember our plan yesterday? It wicked into the zone, bro. That's close. That's definitely in the zone, bro. Because I usually make them the size of a golden pocket. I think. Ish. Like on a local pull or something. That's what I usually do, I think. Make a box. And then I make like a trip zone like this. My little trip zone I got here. Oh, I guess I gotta make it smaller. And then I put it at right centered on the entry here. Like that. Roughly. There it is. And this thing's being a piece of garbage too. Yeah, wicked right into that puppy. Beauty. Bing. Anyways, so that plan worked good, I guess. This thing, I already hit max TP, bro. I knew it. I freaking knew it. Hopefully this goes up more. Kevin Hawthorne, Florida's finest. Don't tell Steve. Shout out to Kevin Hawthorne. Mike Ballmer. Ooh, G13's blazing. He's a smoking otter. This looks like it's going down more. This thing's been rinsing me, bro. I woke up. This thing was like 300% up on 5x, bro. Look at this thing. 60%, man. After all this. Like, I knew it was a bit premature. I still squeezed profit out of it. But still. I should have just pressed the green button, bro. Where are we at on market structure and stuff? Just push the green button, JR, sometimes. Just push the green button, you piece of garbage. Can't be surprised if we get above this. Walmart being a piece of garbage too. B teasing my red lines. B getting pretty out of control. Frank the Tank, Frank the Tank. Shout out to you, Frank the Tank, you absolute bloody legend. Day one, homie. Frank the Tank's in this bitch. Happy Friday, Frank. I hope the wife and kid are well. Curtis Hill gang. Good morning, Curtis Hill gang. Curtis Hill's so cool. He's got his own gang, you guys. Fuck, I love that guy. Shout out to Curtis Hill. What? Did I just see Mindmates? Mindmates, you made her, bud. Missed you, buddy. It's been a while. Well, like, you showed up at the end, I think, the other day or something. But either way, I missed you, buddy. Shout out to Mindmates. Shout out to Curtis Hill gang. Shout out to Frank the Tank. Where's my Juicy Otters at for Mindmates? Also, Alex O Crypto, friend of the channel, link in the description. Click, click, click. Also, there's a ref link for the premium. A portion goes to the Ninja Gang and the Otter Gang at the same dang time. So if you click it, help a ninja out, I would appreciate it. Or if you actually trade and want to save 20% on fees and help a ninja out and help yourself out, save 20% on fees and check out the Bitunix, YUBIT, WEEX, 20% off, ref links. It costs you nothing, and it takes money back from those shady exchanges and puts a little sprinkle in your pocket and a sprinkle in the Ninja Gang's pocket, and less for the greedy, shady exchanges, bro. Why give it to them? They take enough. They get enough. Take some back. Do yourself a favor. Click a ref link. Save 20%. Don't be a piece of garbage. Shout out to freaking Decent Crypto. Good morning, Decent Crypto. And Bad Doggy, woof woof. You're awake, Bad Doggy. Shout out to you, bro. And did I drop these otters or did I get busy rambling? Oh, I dropped them. And then we got some, what was it? Curtis Hill gang, bro. I got something for Curtis Hill gang. He likes blowing smoke around there. Are you still cutting down on the blowing smoke, buddy? We can switch it up. Shout out to Frank the Tank, too. I got some Frank the Tank emojis in the chat here for Frank the freaking Tank, bro. Absolute a legend, rising star in the space. Shout out to Frank the Tank. Decent Crypto, good morning. Good morning, sir. Mocha cheers, too. Mocha cheers to you guys. I couldn't find my freaking whitener reload. I spilled coffee all over myself live. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, it tastes so good though when it touches your lips, you guys. It's hard to contain myself. I'll put some on the sleeve. That should help too. That should help too. It's not like it's a white shirt or anything, you guys. It's not like it's a white shirt with mocha coffee on it. Right? Oh, frick, it is a white shirt. I'm just kidding, I don't care. Oh, so good. I'm going back in, bro. Rookie mistake. Wait for the swizzle to subside before taking a sip, right? Oops, everybody poops. Is Biddy gonna give us a re-entry or just fucking do a weird Friday moon mission? Solana, at least we're in Solana. Fuck. Anyways, so that's that. Let's check out the Forex calendar. How's you guys' trading week been, bro? How's you guys' trading week? Up, down, left, right? Oh, that looks so good, bro. Looks like I'm wearing a mocha pendant. Mocha pendant. You're going on a vacation, did you say? Ooh, leaving for vacation. Nice. That looks fun. Let's do that. Pick up JR. Just kidding, don't ruin your vacation. Going to Dominican Republic. Cool. I'm going to the deck for a Ryan Coke with Keith and the boys. Dominican Republic sounds way better. Sounds exotic. I don't know how far that is from wherever you guys are, but I think it's close, isn't it? It's kind of close-ish. Macro no cheesy for sheet. Why am I shadow banned? For spilling mocha, for wearing a mocha pendant? It's a pendant, bro. I got a mocha pendant because I love mocha so much. I didn't spill on my white shirt live, bro. It's a mocha pendant. Oh, bad doggy. Woof, woof. I got some bad doggy in the chat for you, buddy. Gotta drop some juicy bad doggies in the chat for him. Shout out to bad doggy. We're trying to turn him into a good doggy, but he's a tough cookie. Chillin, bro, chillin. What's up with you? Macro no cheesy for cheesy my kneesy. Macro no cheesy, baby. Ooh, so cheesy. So yeah, we're in this. And we're waiting for a re-entry just to see if it works. And yeah, see how it goes. So Forex calendar. I'm gonna flashbang you guys, even though it's Friday and it probably doesn't matter, but we might have some stuff here, so let's check it out. Flash bang. Also, if anyone's new here or hasn't been here in a while, I would like to welcome you.
Welcome
to the Ninja Gang.
To the Chinatown.
Welcome, welcome, welcome. And also, I hope you like the stream. I've been told it's very nice. Just kidding, I haven't. But I think it's very nice, so.
Wow, it's very nice.
I agree, Borat. I agree. So Friday, we got some red folders, baby, but they already happened while we were sleeping. And now we got GDP month over month at 8:30 a.m. Eastern, 1 hour. GDP month over month, 1 hour. That's Canada though. And then we got employment cost index quarter over quarter, orange folder, Americano. And then those are both at 8:30 a.m. Eastern. Ryan, Wagwan. Shout out to Ryan. At 10 a.m. Eastern, we got revised UOM consumer sentiment and revised UOM inflation expectations. Stuff and things. We got orange folder, stuff and things. 8:30 a.m. Eastern and 10 a.m. Eastern. And then we're done, ski. Done for the week, baby. Done for the week. Done for the week. Live trading in the Discord till probably 12 noon. Then maybe run uptown, do some stuff, and chores or something, stuff and things. Relax, whatever, work out, something. And then Crypto Coin Mindset. We're drinking tonight on Crypto Coin Mindset. Jeez, you guys, I got 5. Streamlabs says I have 5 viewers, you guys. Ninja, we made it. 11 viewers on YouTube, it says. How dare you say he's not set? Ryan likes turtles, you guys. I'm gonna drop some beautiful turtles in the chat for Ryan. He's also a Ninja Turtle in training. So shout out to Ryan. Hope you're doing well, buddy. Miss you. Everyone misses you in the Discord. And your fun, hilarious antics. Your antics. So yeah, these freaking things. Oh yeah, we're not looking at these yet. They're coming up here though. Coma just won't stop. Burb. Should I just short this thing just cause it's mean mugging me, bro. It's mean mugging me. This is in my short zone. T's in my optimal entry here. And we do have DJ and Horns double top. Don't stop. See if we get a sweep of that. Anyways, Burb? It's mean mugging me. Was it Burb? This looks like the culprit right here. It is mean mugging me. Cute Burb. You wanna dance, buddy? You wanna dance, Burb? Coma, fall over already. Nobody likes looking at your dumbass, stupid numbers on my screen. I'm gonna have to take a partial loss on Coma, man. This thing's trying to rape me. Rape me. Rape me, my friend. Bank? What the frick? Why am I in a bank long? Who convinced me to do that? Bad doggy. Bad doggy, was that you? Oh, I gotta stop doing random stuff on here. Anyways. Uni shorts, okay. Coma shorts, a piece of garbage. I should have just got out when I had the chance. I had a chance in my sleep too, but anyways. Burb. Dude, I'm missing this short, bro. Rambling away. Like some sort of stupid YouTuber. Anyway, so I'm in this, man. This thing's mean mugging me. And patience. Let's check out the market. Solana short's trying to print again a little bit. Yeah, that was you, wasn't it? Maybe we get the re-entry here. Bing! Hopefully it works. If not, oh well. Let's check out the... What's this? Longs versus shorts. So, more longs. Longs dominating sentiment-wise, but it's just based off feelings, you guys. Don't take it too seriously.
Emotional damage.
Don't take it too seriously. So bulls dominating always. Very bullish 30%, bullish 23%, cent. Ooh, neutral 20%. That's, I think that's widening a smidge. Very bearish 11%, bearish 17%. That's that. So let's check out this. Yeah, printing is fun. 24 hours, longs versus shorts. We got $24.01 billion in short volume and $24.04 billion in long volume. Long scrapping it out, taking the lead on the 24 just by a smidge. Skipping 12 because I don't mess with 12. Bad luck. $3.8 billion in short volume, $3.94 billion in long volume. Longs dominating the 4 hour as well. Even though the shorts is printed beautifully yesterday. $763.24 million in short volume, $804.92 million in long volume. A lot of long volume. So I guess people longed all the way down. I don't know. Anyways, so a lot of long volume. Hopefully we don't get stopped on Solana. We might. We might. There's a slight chance. Yeah, we might come on to hit that. Maybe, baby. And we could retest these juicy white lines if we get a sweep at New York. But hopefully we just get a juicy little re-entry here. Pew, continue up. Nice and peacefully. Nice and peacefully. So that's that. That's a lot of volume. I should give a quick shout out to volume, you guys.
I'm gonna come.
Me too, Uncle Donnie. Me too. Let's check out Ticket to the Bars. Ticket to the Bars, you guys. I swizzled the mocha too early and I didn't let it settle. What a dummy. All over my beautiful white shirt. I don't even know what to do anymore. Free Jesse. Poor Jesse. Take it to the bars more. Let's check out the 24-hour quick. A lot of longs. Any outliers? YUBIT, shady YUBIT, 75.95% short. They enjoyed the juicy short that we got into yesterday. Shout out to shady YUBIT. Check out the 4-hour. More longs. Even shady YUBIT's long. I guess Hyperliquid and L-Bank, whatever that means. Check out the 1-hour. Whew. More shorts here. YUBIT, 59.76% long. Bitunix, 61% long. What the frick do they know? I don't know, but we're gonna find out. Aster is 59% short. CoinX is 80% short. HTX is 64% short. But shady YUBIT and shady Bitunix and BitMEX and Kraken and OKX are net long on the 1-hour. What do they know, you guys? I don't know, but we're gonna find out. When we do find out, there's a damn good chance they're gonna end up where they belong.
Because you'd be in jail.
Facts, Uncle Donnie. Facts. Also, I don't know if you guys know this or not about the Discord, but the Discord happens to be blessed with a bunch of absolute bloody legends in the chat and in the Discord that happen to be
The cream of the crop! Nobody does it better.
facts, Macho Man. Facts. Shout out to the Discord. Shout out to the Ninja Gang and the Otter Gang at the same dang time. Where's the freaking music? We got the music. The music's good. So, that's that. Longs versus shorts. Let's check out some, the liquidations. Frank the Tank's favorite segment and mine. Entry hit, nope. Drawdown, yep. Anyways, let's check liquidations. In the past 24 hours, we got $240.13 million wrecked from the market. Out of them bucks, $90.44 million were longs and $149.69 million were shorts, according to CoinGlass data. In the past 24 hours, 82,000 traders were liquidated. The largest single liquidation order happened on Hyperliquid. It was an XYZ SKHX USD trade valued at $4.46 million, you guys. Prayers to that person and their $4.46 million. Hopefully they're not too bad under the water.
I am under the water. Please help me. Here too much raining.
Thanks, Rashad. And hopefully they use proper risk management, only risking 0.25 to 1% per stop loss or 2 to 4% on an A++++ setup. And if they didn't use proper risk management, there's a 99.99% chance that it's game over for them. Facts, soundboard button, facts. Check out some data. RSI heat map screener. Data, baby. Data chill. Data chill. All gravy, baby. Yeah. Dude, the Burb short on the live stream is printing, bro. Woo! I knew that thing was mean mugging me. I knew it was mean mugging me. Burb short printing hard. Let's go, baby. Tesla. Who talked me into a Tesla plate? Oh yeah, Ned. Where's Burb? Bro, Did I not open Burb? Bro, where's Burb? Bro. Oh, right here. Up 50%. Banger. Should I take profit or just wait for this thing to go to 0? I'll trail. Trailing Jennings. I'll take a nibble so you guys know I'm not lying. How about that? Take a nibble. Beautiful trade. Beautiful live trade. Taking a trade, showing the trades. S&D or whatever you do. Drop it here. I gotta drop it here. Coma is trying to wreck me, bro. Patience is a virtue. Patience is a virtue. Hype long. What? Did it pick up my hype entry? Dude, did it pick it up? No. Oh, it picked. Yeah, it picked up my one hype entry, bro. Nice. Bank's a piece of garbage. Tesla's okay. Uni short's okay. Injective long's a piece of garbage. Coma short. Oh, dude, this is a huge piece of garbage. I feel like I should lean into this puppy. Never back down, buddy. Never back down. So I just... Hopefully that's not a bad decision. But yeah, Burb short 50%. Let's go. Live trades, baby. Let's go. We got it here. You heard it here first. You heard it here first, buddy. I knew it was mean mugging me. Take that, Burb. You go mean mug somebody else, buddy. Go mean mug somebody else. Anyway, so that worked out. Yeah, take partial for sure. No, Burb! It's not Burb. It's Burb with a B. We be bourbon. We be bourbon. Speaking of bourbon, hopefully I see you guys at Crypto Coin Mindset tonight. Crypto on the rocks. Do I have to go? Coma just dropped, bro. You're not cute. Nobody thinks this is cute, Coma. How's the re-entry on Biddy? Just hovering above that puppy. Hopefully we get a nice little tap. Army Piper. Good morning, Army Piper. My home base homie, Piper Academy friend, home base, friend, family channel in the description, bro. In the description, Piper Academy. Piper, you missed it. I was swizzling my mocha, and then I got too excited because it looked so juicy and delicious. And then I went to go take a sip while it was still swizzling, and I spilt on my white shirt live, and it was awesome. Oh, you should have been there, bro. It was pretty good. Waiting for a re-entry on Biddy, oh Biddy, oh Biddy here. For a long, hopefully. Also, banger short dropped in Piper Academy yesterday. I was telling them about the banger short that we got in Piper Academy and the Art of Crypto and Lunar Beaches Crypto yesterday. Beautiful 1 to 8. Feeling great. Made up for these stops yesterday. And then we got our stops back on this too. One of them. Oh, only one. No, this was a 1-to-1 too. So it was one stop. I already got my stop back there. And then this was 1-to-1 stop break even. And then this was the Banksky off the white line, baby. And now we're trying to re-entry on the long. See if we can play this range. If they're so generous enough to let us play this beautiful little range here. But there's a chance we could sweep these lows, you guys. There's definitely a chance we could sweep these lows again, which is fine though. It's just this range, bro. Beautiful little range developing here. Pop, 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 pop. I'm cool with it. But yeah, hopefully we get our re-entry at least. But if we don't, we're in the Solana one, so slight drawdown. And Coma is taking me for a ride, bro. Coma's taking me for a ride. I got some profit out of it. But, it's taking me for a ride right now. I don't like the ride either. I want off the ride, Coma. Let me off the ride. You don't need to hit the red line, bro. Just turn around. You don't need to hit it. Oh, and we got this banger short from the live stream printing hard right now. Burbski. Burb is the word. I know. So I told him I'm just wearing a mocha pendant. It's just a mocha pendant. I got a custom mocha pendant. For free. I know. Juicy mocha. Dave Digital. Oh yeah, we're gonna check out that video Dave made, bro. Dave, I'm trying to. Well, I appreciate the video. It's a cool video. A richer JR would definitely hire you, but or like give you money for your awesomeness. So I appreciate the awesomeness, bro. Appreciate the awesomeness a lot. So yeah, I'm trying to pump your dope ass video on X and tag you in it so that other people, hopefully with deeper pockets than JR, are like, yo, we need to get this guy to do us some stuff, bro, because he's pretty good. So yeah, I'm trying to pump that up. Let's check out the video though. It's a pretty dope ass video. Piper, have you seen this thing yet? It's pretty sick. Shout out to Dave Digital. I do have to switch my screen. Yeah. I guess I could go to X. Can I just do that from here? Can I just go straight to X? What's this? Oh, that thing I never used. I should use this more. I don't want to get rid of that. Oh, I'm already on X. It's right here. Where's my... Oh yeah, here's the video. See if what the volume's like.
Violent candle. It is a relentless high blood pressure grind that routinely wrecks thousands of accounts.
Are you ready?
Welcome to the crypto trenches, where millions of dollars evaporate in the span of a single violent candle. It is a relentless high blood pressure grind that routinely wrecks thousands of accounts and liquidates fortunes before breakfast. And sitting dead center in this daily financial wreckage is JR, navigating the massive market swings with the detachment of a man who's watched market makers spring the exact same trap 100 times before. Between sips of a freshly swizzled mocha, the atmosphere suddenly tightens. A critical price level approaches the target zone, balancing an entire morning's profit on a razor-thin margin of error, where one bad wick means an instant stop-out. He leans into the microphone, triggering the soundboard and firing up the live stream as the price action ticks closer to the strike zone. Beneath the surface volatility lies the actual battlefield, the liquidation heat maps where institutional algorithms hide. Heavy clusters of capital pile up just above the highs and below the lows, waiting to be violently consumed in a single calculated sweep. As the data sharpens, the live chat erupts into a rapid-fire multiplayer survival room. Traders from the Netherlands to Asia flood the feed with inside jokes and diamond hand emojis, locking arms under the banner of the Ninja Gang. When a sudden loss eventually hits, the collective panic is completely non-existent, laughed off because the underlying risk management math is already calculated and paid for. There is zero time to dwell on a broken setup when the next massive chart pattern is already tightening on the 15-minute time frame. Navigating this absolute chaos requires more than decent indicators. It requires a hive mind moving in unison. The resistance line holds by a thread. The crew holds their breath for the print. Stop pushing buttons alone in the dark. Join JR and the Ninja Gang at the Art of Crypto and find out exactly how the next setup plays out.
Banger video. Shout out to Dave Digital, bro. That's a sick promo short, bro. That's dope, bro. I think it's dope. Anyway. Pretty good. Pretty good, bro. I gotta draw some Dave Digital game. He's hacking the Matrix, you guys. Dave Digital. He's digital. That's the Dave. Yeah, he is the man. He is the man. What? You don't want what? You cloned me? No, I'm not sweating it, bro. But what's wrong with fluffing the homies up, bro? I'm just trying to be a good fluffer. Just trying to be a good fluffer. That is a nice job, eh? Yeah, dude, that was sick. Shout out to Dave Digital, man. Bloody legend. Thanks, Dave, bro. I appreciate you, bro. A lot. Actually, appreciate it a lot. Pretty epic. Dude, is this thing just gonna blast through my... Whatever. Let it be. Just let it be, JR. Let it be. Definitely gonna hit the entry. Just hope the stop holds, bro. I hope we don't get a sweep. What time is it? 6. Let's check out stablecoin dominance real quick. This doesn't look any clearer. It looks okay, actually. I've seen worse. Let's see. I've seen worse. I've seen worse. We might be okay. It's approaching. Wait for it. Yeah, bro. Those songs are dope too. Mattress full of cash. Should we check that out? Let's check these out too. He made some dope songs too. Mattress full of cash. Mr. Muchacho loves it. Allset loves it. Frank loves it. Donato loves it. Shout out to Donato. Bad Doggy loves it. Yeah, I hope I end up with a mattress full of cash too. Mattress, pockets, safe, bank, assets, full. But let's see how it goes. Some bangers. We can listen to some bangers real quick. Some Dave Digital bangers. Did we play the first one? Yeah, we did. We did, eh? Did I play them both yesterday? Yeah, I think I played it yesterday. But I didn't play this one. We got this one here. Hopefully it's not too loud. I can turn it down if it is.
Yeah. JR at the boards, Ninja Gang, rolling through the West Coast. Punch my boss in the face. We ain't working no desk job. Mattress full of cash. Custom whip with my name on the dash. Sleep in when I want. Steak on the rooftop, stacking up the stash. Big house in the hills. Not a single worry how I pay the bills. Private island party where we only push yachts for the thrills. Yeah, mattress full of cash. Custom whip with my name on the dash. Big house in the hills. Not a single worry how I pay the bills. Boss on my case cause I'm running late again. Best keep your mouth shut when you talk to the dumb, my friend. Sorry your call, I missed it. Give a shit level non-existent. Go check on Indeed, you in need of an assistant. Run my errands for me when I hit the grocery store. Dude staring at me, girl wearing my tea at the front door. Standing in line, oversharing her life story. Homegrown prodigy, row housing monopoly for the glory. Feel it in my bones, that's a prophecy like Moses. Tell me who's stopping me when Ninja Gang closes. Full of cash, custom whip with my name on the dash. Sleep in when I want, steak on the rooftop, stacking up the stash. Big house in the hills, not a single worry how I pay the bills. Private island party where we only push yachts for the thrills. Yeah, mattress full of cash, custom whip with my name on the dash. Big house in the hills, not a single worry how I pay the bills. Mountaintop hop, meditation early in the morning. Got someone else sitting in all the meetings I find boring. Tax man, hate the way I'm off his bag on the floor. Got an office at the bank, cracking packs through the door. Don't need a lender, I ain't spending 9 to 5 at a desk. Dex job, not apply, straight vibing at my best. With a hippie chick, eating psilocybin, diving deep sea. Yellow submarine, taking what I want, living free. Empty your kitchen, eating your ribs, chest pumping like a frog. Living outside your limits with the ninja gang in the fog. Mattress full of cash, custom whip with my name on the dash. Sleep in when I want, steak on the rooftop, stacking up the stash. Big house in the hills, not a single worry how I pay the bills. Private island party where we only push yachts for the thrills. Yeah, mattress full of cash, custom whip with my name on the dash. Big house in the hills, not a single worry how I pay the bills. Yeah, pure 90s West Coast G-Funk. JR and the Ninja Gang. We don't ask for forgiveness, we just take what we want.
I got you, Curtis. I've been sitting on some. Curtis. Pop on over. That's funny how it's like pushing yachts on the island or something. Yachts, that's sick, bro. We have that ninja yacht too that we made. That's funny. Who spelled your name out? Jesse, what a legend, bro. Dude, I don't know about this, bro. These Bulls need to pick it up. And hit my entry, and then pick it up. Please. Please, MM. Yeah, we got choppers coming in here hot. That's pretty good. Dave's a legend, bro. Yeah, he called in Snoop Dogg. He called in Snoop Dogg special for that track. Stephen Hickey. Yeah, he called in Snoop special for that track. Where's that one? What you want to hear? You want to hear that one too? Okay, let's check out that one again. I like it. I like the jams, bro. I like chilling. I like vibing. It's Friday. Let's turn up. Another Dave Digital production.
Yeah.
Dave Digital production.
JR at the boards, Ninja Gang in the building. No fake rivals, strictly raw East Coast pressure. We the definition of fucked around, I found out. Class clown in the front, but I'm the teacher now. Ninja Gang on the block, money printing loud. Mess with the squad, get popped in the crowd. Yeah, we the definition of fucked around, I found out. Class clown in the front, but I'm the teacher now. Early morning on the block, eyes red like a fire truck. JR at the mic, rap tight and bring the power up. Made the beat open and close, wrote the verse tough. Catching Biddy at the golden pocket, call him on the bluff. No fake rivals on the stream, we ain't shaking hands. Anchor gang on the chart, liquidating crazy fans. Shorting poop points to zero, strictly heavy business. Always knew I had to touch, now the haters got a witness. We the definition of fucked around, I found out. Class clown in the front, but I'm the teacher now. Ninja Gang on the block, money printing loud. Mess with the squad, get popped in the crowd. Yeah, we the definition of fucked around, I found out. Class clown in the front, but I'm the teacher now. Dirty East Coast flow, Aquafina on the table. Checking liquidation heat maps, wiping out the unstable. No fake smiles in the chat, keep the brothers close. 10 toes down, holding lines coast to coast. From the basement to the main stage, faded in the jeans. Ninja Gang printing bags while the rest chase dreams. Running things on our own, never past the crown. Got the block under management, locking shit down. We the definition of fucked around and found out. Class clown in the front, but I'm the teacher now. Ninja Gang on the block, money printing loud. Mess with the squad, get popped in the crowd. Yeah, we did the definition of fucked around and found out. Class clown in the front, but I'm the teacher now. Yeah, raw boom bap. JR and the Ninja Gang. We make it look so easy when we play these shows. Peace out.
Legend. Happy printing, all set. Where's all set going to work? We might have to stay on, you guys. I don't know. 17 viewers. We're waiting for the Bulls to pick it up here. Piper, we need ground support. Ah. We need ground support for the Bulls. We're approaching entry. The Bears are dominating, bro. The Bulls are trying to hold their ground here. Approaching entry right now. Beautiful entry. Come on, baby. Hit it. Hit it. Don't quit it. Just hit it. Oh, we got choppers coming in for the Bulls. Push, push. We need more tanks. Yeah, push, baby. Push. Come on. The Bulls, we're getting closer. Re-entry to... Oh, bro, that's a re-entry. That's close enough. We're in. Let's engage it. I don't care. That's close enough for me. We'll widen the stop to the lows. See how it goes. Might not work. Might work. Might not work. I should have left it. I don't care though. It's pretty close to the entry. Close enough for me, buddy. Close enough for me. And it was a sloppy fib. Remember when I said it was a sloppy fib? Come on, don't let them push you back like that. We need more tanks on the ground, bro. We need more tanks. Yeah, there's a couple more. No bad days. Where's that one? It's at the bottom, eh? We gotta hit that up too. Another Dave Digital production. I should pause this background music, eh?
JR, the boys, Ninja Gang in the building. True to the digital. No bad days.
No bad days, that's how I live it. No bad days, that's how it is. No bad days, that's how I get it.
Yeah, no bad days, just how it is. Clean slate, miss me with that mean face. Cutting off the lames, that's a clean break. Handling the day-to-day, sorting out the 808s. In the zone, phone me back, running up the stakes.
No bad days,
that's how I'm living.
no bad days,
That's how it is.
no bad days,
That's how I get it. Yeah, no bad days, just how it is.
never turning around. Quit that fucking job and I never went back. Stay true to the digital, holding down the block. Ninja gang, printing bags, got the game on lock. No bad days,
that's how I live it.
no bad days,
Just how it is.
no bad days,
That's how I get it. Yeah, no bad days, just how it is. JR, the boards, Ninja Gang. Stay true to the digital.
Oh, dude, it switched it up on me, bro. Sorry, guys, I pushed a button. I didn't know it was going to turn it off. We'll go back.
be my own boss, never turning around. Quit that fucking job and I never went back. Stay true to the digital, holding down the block. Ninja gang, printing bags, got the game on lock. No bad days,
That's how I live it.
no bad days,
Just how it is.
no bad days,
That's how I get it. Yeah, no bad days, just how it is. JR, the boards, Ninja Gang. Stay true to the digital. No bad days.
Dave Digital bangers. Shout out to Dave Digital. We got some more tanks here. I don't know if they're gonna push though. Oh yeah, more tanks, more tanks. Come on, baby. I'm pretty sure we're at the original entry on this thing. The trip zone. Shout out to the trip zone. Yeah, we're just piercing the trip zone right now. Should have left my entry. Would have looked a lot cooler, but that's okay. Yeah, that'd be sweet. I like saying, you guys keep in mind, I am Canadian. It's a bilingual country, so you will hear the odd French word slip out of my mouth. That sounds so gay. Anyways, oh, expect fuckery always. I always say that. Expect fuckery always. Or I always say, the market does what the market wants, not what I want, or not what we want. The market does what the market wants, not what we want. And expect fuckery always. And printing, we be printing a lot. We like saying printing. But yeah, that's all I can think of right now. But I'll keep thinking on it. Might come up with a couple new ones tonight. Drinking with Keith and the boys. Keith and the boys. Drinking tonight with Keith and the boys. I might come up with a new one. Live. Drunk and blazed. You never know. So the tanks are slowly picking up here. We got some more tanks. That's good. The bearish tanks are thinning out a bit, but they're still dominating. We need more tanks. And we need more missiles. Oh, they're sending the missiles now. We got a jet. We need some choppers, some jets, and some more tanks. Darren, do you want to... Are we still doing a long-ass stream or what? Is Alex... Are they sharing it over in the Otter Gang? He still hasn't hooked up my family sub thing that he said he was going to do. He's pretty busy though. Hopefully this holds here, you guys. Even if we take a stop though, this banger 1-8 from yesterday, we got us covered. Definitely got us covered. So not a big deal, but it does hurt a bit deep down inside. Thanks, Dave, bro. I appreciate it, bro. Duality C. Good morning, Duality C. Rumor has it he is out of this world, you guys. I gotta check my Solana short. So close, but so far. So close, but so far. Duality's my alien brethren. Sorry, this take profit's edging me right now, so I don't want to look away to drop the emojis. Because I'm about to take profit on the short. Because I'm hedging. They call me Sonic the Hedgehog because I be hedging. And edging. But, yeah, I be hedging. So I always have a long and a short open. Duality C. Rumor has it he's out of this world. Shout out to Duality C, my alien brethren. Good morning, sir. Good morning, Duality. Welcome. Darren's sleeping on the job again. Just kidding, Darren. But yeah, if you want to give a go, Darren, I could make another coffee, buddy. Change my greasy coffee-stained white shirt. Yeah. Yeah, the Ninja Gang, we've been working on this battle map for a long time. No, I wish, bro. I wish I built it. No, it's a website. I can drop it in the chat. If anyone wants to check it out, it's fun to watch. I could drop it in the chat. Drop it in the chat. I'll drop it in Chillin for anyone that hasn't seen it yet. And I'll drop it in the YouTube chat also. Go to Discord. Go to the Chillin chat. Yeah, it's super cool. We got it from, I forget his name. He was on David's stream, and he shared it with us. Oh, yeah, one with ninjas would be so cool, bro. Yeah, shout out to David. Shout out to Lunar Beach's Crypto. And shout out to that dude that shared the battle map with us. That guy's a legend. And shout out to you guys. Shout out to you guys. Also, if you're new here, welcome.
Welcome
to the Ninja Gang.
to the China Club.
And if you see Jesse, pass Jesse, pass this along from me to Jesse if you see him. And don't worry, the bullets are filled with THC and love, so it will not hurt him. Even if he cries a bit, he does it for fun.
Oh my god, I almost died. I almost died.
I love that one. So funny. Where's Bobby Boucher? Wake up, Bobby.
Dang it, Bobby, that's exactly what we don't want.
How's this thing holding? Barely. Barely. Don't know till you try. The Bears are looking strong, baby. We might sweep these white lines on New York Open. Sweep! Where's that other one that always cheers us up here? We got another one that cheers us up pretty good. Just got home, give me 5 minutes. Yeah, bro, take your time. No rush. We're just chilling, bro. Just waiting for this. Well, the short's printing pretty good. You could short the bottom if you're into it, but I'm not into it. Trying to find a long here. 15 minutes. Could look better. Half an hour looks okay-ish. 10-minute looks okay-ish. We are getting a little wick here in the trip zone. Is this the trip zone? Are we still in the trip zone? Let's check. Trip zone's just the golden pocket with the added 707, you guys. Golden pocket with the added 707. Peeking just below the trip zone here. Tickled the 7-8 dicks. Tickled the 7-8 dicks. Oh, whoops. I'm not supposed to move that. The fib, bro. No, not the setup, bro. So yeah, originally it was here, and then I got impatient. So, back to the stupid impatient one. Up a bit. There. That looks about right. Anyways, so 7-8 dicks. Adjust the fib just to make sure. Oh, don't move the setup, bro. It's so hard to get these little dots sometimes. Right there. So yeah, we just poked just outside of that. That would have been a stop for me if I did the tight stop re-entry. But I did the wide stop because I gave it a little room just in case. Eh? And then if it sweeps, I'll just re-enter down there. But it's getting bought up on this trip zone here. So hopefully that works out. Roki, you lost your short. Next week, new trades. Nice. Oh yeah, money flow's money flow. Shout out to Mark Dutch. Yeah, the money flow probably it should look red because the short's been printing. Money flow red, red, red. Trying to make higher highs though right now on the 5 minute. This is what I do with money flow anyways. Would you say 1 and 2 hours or something? 1 and 4. Yeah, it looks bad. It does look bad. And we were green as F. This is where you want to look for shorts when you start downtrending here. This was the height of money flow right there. Let's see what price did. Oh yeah, it still went up plenty. Down, up, down, up. Yeah, 4-hour money flow. But anyways, like as far as intraday. But yeah, it does look bad. But I always top down it. Mark Dutch, good morning, Mark Dutch. Shout out to Mark Dutch. We've been having some good Discord chills, Mark Dutch. So I top down the money flow. This looks bad too. This moving average 2-hour looks bad. Looks like the short still got some room to go. And then the 1 hour, I checked the 1 hour after that. And then this is where we start to get a little hopium. Went to the red, back into the green. Hopefully this pops back up for another. And this looks good too. The oscillator, main oscillator is about to do a turnaround here. So the long is incoming soon. And then I top down to look at money flow. I look at these little curves here. These little curves on CHARTPRIME prime oscillator. So we got a bull dip on the 30-minute. That's good. But it doesn't have to work. But it's starting. It's charging up like Goku. We got the swoosh on the moving average, white line. And then the money flow is still dipping down. So then I go down to the 15-minute. And I want to see higher highs on the money flow. And I don't see them yet. So a little premature on the long. But it's a live stream. I don't really get to decide what's going on. But see, this is the hope here. Money flow is trying to climb back up if you go down to the 10-minute and stuff. Cause so it's been downtrending, right? This is how I use it. So it's been downtrending, lower highs, blah 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 blah. So now I want to see this turn into higher highs. Basically, like this is the low. I'm hoping, right? And then I want to see higher highs now. After that. I want to see it trend back up and out, but it doesn't mean it's gonna. That's just what I want to see, and hopefully I get it. Otherwise, stop. But we'll see. Darren, Mark Dutch. I got wood shoes in the chat from Mark Dutch. Roki, good points, Roki. Good call. Yeah, bro. More trades next week. Enjoy your weekend, Roki. You've earned it, buddy. You've earned it. And if you're new here, welcome.
Welcome
to the Ninja Gang.
To the China.
Oh yeah, you ready? You want to do some epic chartistry? Darren does things, you guys. Happens to be one of my favorite chartists in the biz. Shout out to Darren does things. I'm gonna call you up, buddy. Says he's ready. What shoes in the chat for Mark Dutch? I keep forgetting those. Wood shoes, baby.
USB mic.
Wood shoes, nice.
Let me just share chart. Yeah, I think I'm going over order flow first.
Okay, I gotta switch the screen to the.
You can flip between those.
To the Discord. To the Discord. Make it bigger. Sweet, I'm gonna grab a coffee. Thanks, bro. I'll watch on my cell phone.
Full screen. I can't hear you.
You can't hear me, bro? I can hear you. They can hear you. Oh, because I muted. Sorry, I was muted.
Yeah,
oh, yeah
cool.
Yeah,
I can hear you now.
You're
cool.
Up, they can hear you.
That...
I'm just grabbing a coffee. I'm going to watch you on my cell phone while I grab a coffee, and I'll be right back, buddy.
Yeah, okay, cool. So, I pretty much missed this because this happened when I was sleeping. But essentially, what happened is when we came up overnight, and exporting a troll around 65 to 100. I was showing yesterday we had this big stack of orders above us. So basically went into there, took out some of the shorts. Yes, a lot of shorts got smoked as we just got through the 65-300 level. Hit the OI. Yeah, there was a big increase of open interest. So essentially in this zone here, it was relatively flat, right? Flat, literally back end of New York, literally going sideways. Quick spike up, open interest down. CVD up means I took out the shorts, did a short stop run into the liquidity liquidations. I think this is about 300. There were about 600 yesterday, 600 BTC each. There's 1,800 Bitcoin in here. What was... oh, sorry, give me a minute. Let me just see if I can zoom this a bit better. But essentially... man, Jesus, being a pain in the ass. Doesn't show what filled. 200, 200, 200. So they reduced it. Yeah, here's where the big numbers were. But still, all things aside, it went into the liquidity, took out the liquidations into the liquidation pocket. Obviously, we still got quite a bit more above us. And then now as well, kind of in this whole move, they're still building huge amount below 62.5. So if this falls over and doesn't get back up on the horse, like 62 to 62.5 is basically the zone. Currently, let's just see what spot is doing. Spot order book flipped. Literally as we took that high, spot started to sell. Yeah, it's not so bad, but still, obviously it will be more perps led for the most part, but kind of order flow is just showing this has come down. When we hit there, did we get bearish CVD as we came back in locally? Locally, we've just come back into the 50% of UK. So I've drawn this little box here. UK price action, UK high, UK low, London high, London low. Literally just rejected it. Essentially, to get back bullish, we need to get back above 64,400 for today. So bar that, yeah, it's not looking all that bullish just because of how much participation has come in literally since we hit this high. And then when you want to look at market structure, 15 minutes flipped, and 5 minutes flipped. The market cycle scanner that I made, scan at the bottom right hand corner is yeah, we had the daily green dot flashing like literally the whole of yesterday, and then now obviously, and kind of just before we had the spike up into Asia, which hit that weekly open, the 50% of the week, and also as well the previous day high. So for the most part, this isn't looking all that good, and there's not a hang of a lot happening that's saying that this is going to turn around. Bears in control, as we've been saying, with looking at that battle map thing that JR has been posting. So yeah, it's not looking good. There's probably just check. Let's just look at volume. Yeah, there's more sell volume, and also as well, sell volume came in as you start breaking down. Money flow is not looking good. You below. Let's look at EMAs. Quick, what's happening here? Let's look at these ones. I've got EMA horizontals on the side, so we've got the 4-hour 200 EMA and the daily 50 SMA just below us. Where we rejected as well, kind of overnight, was still struggled to close above the daily 50 EMA, and then obviously the 4-hour 100 and 4-hour 50 we've just gone below. So from an EMA trend perspective, it's looking a lot more bearish until such time as you get back above, I would say, the 4-hour 50 EMA, which is now at about 64,400, which is basically what I was saying as well, just looking at price action. Get back above these highs, up here around 64,300, 64,400. We're currently on the low of the week as well, which is a bit of a doozy fest, because essentially it's just literally been chopping the whole week between the previous weekly low and the weekly open and previous weekly 50%. Just want to hide drawings. I want to go into a high time frame here. Just and also as well, for those that look at this like discount and premium, if you're looking at the RCT kind of methods. Sorry, just gonna take a drink. 1 minute. 1 moment. This is also not a very good 4-hour candle, and it's had follow through down. Although they're not vector candles, it is yeah. But essentially, all we've been doing, literally the whole week, is messing around in discount. We've not actually been able to get back up, at least to like 66, and then obviously even up to like 67k. So it's teetering on a knife edge at the minute. And also as well, we are just about again back to the anchored VWAP from 57,700. So for the most part, this is looking a little bit more. It does look as if it's accumulating. If you like look at the 4-hour, 8-hour daily, obviously it's accumulating in the lower half of the weekly range. But essentially, what we want is we want to close above 64,400, or even that 64,366, which is the previous daily 50%. So that's that kind of looking at vector candles, EMAs, VWAPs. Can this thing just get back to where I need to go? Okay, cool there. And then kind of now, yesterday, when I was on, I was saying where were we yesterday? We were literally just chilling along the previous weekly VWAP, and we were above all of this cluster of kind of the key session or time-based anchored VWAPs. So even looking at this kind of, I'm just building my bias to remain a little bit more bearish now locally until such time as we reclaim 64,400. We can go into the volume profile, because that was another instance here where it's a clean move, but kind of the only level I had on the volume profile composite between 60.4 and 64.6 was literally this anchored this daily neck point of control at 65,170. What's happened is I would have hoped that we would have swung that, come above and taken out this daily high initially around 65,700. That didn't happen. And then volume profile theory says we go lower, essentially, unless we can get back above this this 64,600 level. We've not had a daily, we had like a small daily close above and then literally just spike up and down. Looking at higher time frame, I don't even know. No, there isn't a daily naked. From yesterday, we hit that at 64,800. Was it group 14? Yeah, we're below the 65,200 value area composite as well, which is also another level we need to. This is just a wider range. This is the range all the way from, or the volume profile all the way from February. So we're still below 65,200. So there's a whole lot of resistances above us, essentially, and not enough bullish momentum just to just get price action by the Goonies and swing this thing up. So we're below that one, and then that's the local composite. Where's the other one? Was it this one? Yeah. So we're still looking around, I would say 61 to 62. Obviously, we have the anchored VWAP below us. Still have it on this chart. Probably do. That's the top. Where's grid 10? What's that one? Yeah. So we still got the anchored VWAP as support below us, but essentially locally, if this doesn't bounce off this anchored VWAP, the support just below volume weighted is like 62,300, and then if that 62,300 doesn't hold, then it's back down to like 60.4. And something have been saying is just that, well, I've been harping on about it. So and it's something I will stick to, is because we haven't taken all of this out, it's just leaving liquidity behind. Case in point, like I showed a few minutes ago or earlier in my little malarkey, all of this left behind is a problem. They're not going to let that get away for like forever, and eventually they need to go for it. So, so for now, it's looking locally more bearish. We're still in an uptrend if we hold this anchored VWAP. I just don't like the order flow and the structure at the moment. High, lower high. Made our first lower high on the 4 hour. Lower low, second lower high on the 4 hour. This looks like structure-wise is going to roll over. Daily, yeah, daily just made a high. Daily has to come back for a higher low at some point, because obviously it's done. The higher low sits somewhere between 6, depending where you want to, depending your theory on your Fibonacci. So 61, like mid 61s, just at the POC. So anything between 62.5 and 61 is kind of the zone. We can go into the order books and just see what's there currently. Sorry, I'm not looking at chat. I want to, I'm in the zone here.
It's all good, bro.
Yeah, they just stacked. What's it, 60, 200. Rookie numbers, man. Yeah. Market makers are clocked out for the weekend. So you've got like 200. 280 at 61. And this is aggregated across 14 exchanges, and there's not a hang of a lot. Can I not look at that? Yeah, let's just see. Like a side profile. That's at 58. I can't see 210. Let's just move this down a bit, sorry. But if anyone has guessed or hasn't guessed, I'm a little bit more locally bearish now that we've swept that high. Need that daily naked body control. Yeah, there's not a lot. Well, this is just on Binance. Binance, most of these orders here stuck to the side in the limits on Binance. 200 on Binance. Nothing drastic. Drastic and spastic. There's 400 below us at 62,800, which lines up with the POC. They are building a little bit below us, 63k. Well, we got 460 Bitcoin. But you can see it's just a sea of red. Look at the order books, the trades. It's just, yeah, looking like absolute poo-fest at the minute. And yeah, you can see just the candles. Any bounce just gets... Obviously, you had this little algorithmic bounce here, but then now it's just straight sell again. Open interest, yeah. Straight from this high, open interest up, CVD down. There's no net long absorption. For me, if you're not short and you're looking for long, I personally wouldn't be catching a knife until at least it gets closer back to below 63,000. But yeah, that's I don't know how many minute run through on Bitcoin, but it's, yeah. It's locally, like you could catch a few scalp longs, but I don't think it's worth kind of full porting long by any means now. It's just, yeah, they've eventually swept what they wanted to sweep, I think. Local buy side or short stops. Weekly. Let's see what the weekly's doing. Weekly volume profile, local profile on the weekly. We're back at we're at the weekly value area low, the current weekly value area low, which is also not good. Fairly decent double distribution if you're looking at volume profiles. It's obviously fairly balanced. Obviously accumulated on the low, on the value area low, moved to the POC, came back, moved to the value area high, came back to the POC, came back up, came back to the value area low. So like I was saying, the weekly's been a fairly good range to trade for any people that caught it. Bar that, it's a bit. I also don't like trading Fridays until New York shows me the issue that I have now. The only issue I have now, right, with local price action is that Asia forced the move, and usually now within the next 2 hours you should get the trap to the other side, right? And also as well, this shouldn't be the weekend trap where it traps in Asia and trends down aggressively. Even though Asia range also still only had a 2%, it's still within tolerance. But for now, I would expect, where we're at, 63,600. Yeah, I would expect weekend trap low to come in probably around 63, or if they do another quick move down, sweep all of this back down, then come back up, reclaim the value, the anchored VWAP, and then that will be the weekend. That'll be all the weekend shorts trap that shorted the bottom, and then we have the weekend trap longs above here, or even into Asia, and then yeah, we just literally just range in this zone for the weekend, range between 63.6 and like 64.5. 1% range is perfect weekend range to trade if people want to kind of trade. I'm not advocating for it, but yeah, if it does that, I would say the weekend trap high is set. I don't think New York's just going to reverse this at this point. I think they'll sweep lower, and then you're basically watching for a reclaim. You're watching for a sweep of the anchored VWAP, and you're watching for a reclaim of the anchored VWAP. I think that's the best. That's my best case setup for now. But also as well, I am able to catch lows because I can look in order flow. And my mouse has decided not to work. Being absolute poo-poo. Anyway, that's me. Locally bearish. Price action did what we were waiting for pretty much the whole week, and I was sleeping, so I didn't catch it. But yeah, stuck between liquidity zones. Locally, they're just shorting this thing, or trying to short this thing into oblivion now. And I would think that, yeah, if anything happens now, we sweep this anchored VWAP into close to around the POC 62,500, 62,600, and then for me locally, kind of for those that do reclaims, a reclaim of the week of the anchored VWAP is kind of the long back up.
Yeah.
Because it's essentially what they did here twice, right?
Yeah.
On Monday and Tuesday, or Tuesday and Wednesday, that's your key support.
Even a couple
so
times
let them come back up.
A couple times before that, we got like three or four nice touches on that anchor VWAP there.
Yeah, so that's the best case. Otherwise, range trade it. Wait for a POC. You can even do this. You can come down, and then backtest the POC, and then obviously you got your stop kind of below there to go. Ideally, as well, you're trading in the middle of the range against 4-hour market structure now, which isn't the best. But scalps are always possible to do in kind of specifically, even in a downtrend, you can scalp long. Which also is good because as traders ourselves, or people that want to kind of be more actively trading, you shouldn't be one-way biased. Yes, you can have a macro bias, right? So obviously we're still in my macro bias, we're still in the bear market, right?
Yeah.
But obviously you can still catch longs. And locally we had the 4-hour and the daily flip. So then we had like the intermediate trend up, but then now also as well the intermediate trend is starting to show weakness, which means we should be, or kind of in my mind, what I'm kind of reorganizing myself to do is to look for more shorts going forward, unless we get above like 66 and 67k. That's the only kind of real bias now that that will kind of get me thinking that we kind of continue up. And my local bias now is that we just we rotate and range. We rotate and range more. And generally speaking, for those that do look at them, obviously August after a bullish July, or kind of somewhat bullish July is essentially kind of a range and kind of down month. So just bear that into mind. Oh yeah, just to say hello to everyone. I did post in Frankie's so that I was hopping on. So there might be a few new people in here, just kind of.
Cool.
Yeah, appreciate you, TDK. TDK is one of our guys in Frankie's.
Oh, nice. Appreciate the drop.
Yeah. There's a few. There would have been a few in here that popped in. I don't know. But yeah, kind of that's my local bias. It's a bit more bearish. If you want to look at anything else, Solana took an absolute I'll just look at these on the scalp charts. I'm really going to order flow. Yeah, Solana back into the 75s. Probably look at this one as well. 75. I said yesterday. Watch 75.5.
Yeah.
Was it yesterday?
Yeah. I think so.
I said yesterday. Watch the or when it loads. Oh, come on. My word. I said watch this anchor. Watch this. Yeah, watch that POC. No, I was 78. Sorry, correction. I get things wrong. I'm not perfect. Yeah, so we basically swept the previous day high. We swept the previous day high on Solana, and now obviously getting a bearish engulfing. We're still within this range, anything from 66 up to 78. I think it's going to lose this POC and come down. I don't know what's money flow looking like. Yeah, I've got a daily green dot against red money flow. Trend is weak. If we're gonna look for a higher low, this has to be it, right? Yeah. Structure-wise, this has to be the higher low. It has to be the daily higher low. Otherwise, it's coming back for like this 70 zone. So structurally, you've got obviously high, low, high, has to make another higher high. Otherwise, it's just faked out, and then it's going to come back for these, come back for that zone. Come back for the order block, come back for the vector.
Yeah, order block.
And make a point of control. Weekly point of control, 618. Locally, 4 hour Solana. Locally, 4 hour Solana. Also, I don't like longing against 4 hour money flow being red. 4 hour trend is flipped. It's been flipped always, and it's been stuck below this anchored VWAP. Right? It's been stuck below the anchored VWAP.
Yep. Yeah, it's squeezing.
Not looking good.
The two.
You can scalp. And it's not to say you can't scalp long it. You can scalp long it, but just bear in mind this has now a more bearish trend than what Bitcoin does locally. So
yeah, it's looking weaker than Bitcoin, eh?
But you can use that also with your bias. So if you're looking to short Bitcoin, Solana's looking weaker. Short Solana instead. You get better multiples. And this is something that I can't remember who was saying it or where I learned it from. But if it comes to me, I'll know. But they always look for the weaker assets against Bitcoin or the stronger assets against Bitcoin. The first movers or kind of the no movers. And those are the ones you, depending what they are looking like against Bitcoin, you short or long them comparatively what you're doing to Bitcoin. So I always say to Frankie's guys, pick your poison. If you think, obviously ETH has moved. So we've had a lot of people in Frankie's kind of longing ETH, kind of when ETH was in the uptrend, kind of been outperforming Bitcoin for the last few weeks. And even Solana, there's been a few that have done Solana. I can't remember any other ones. JTO, I know, was also outperforming a bit. But yeah, Solana, not looking all that good. It's looking a lot more bearish than Bitcoin, a lot more weaker than Bitcoin. Yeah, I would say this is probably going to do a full rotation down eventually. Yeah, I can look at Ethereum quickly. But yeah, Solana, locally, I would say I'd rather not look for a short just yet. I was looking for a short, I'd be looking close to $77. But ideally, kind of your best short with the value area high above you is that. But obviously, the trend doesn't help you get there. This thing's going to have to do a big turnaround to kind of change 4 hour trend just to get back up to 78. So around 77 is probably one of the better levels for the macro for another short on Solana. And then obviously, yeah, 70. But locally, you're now equal lowing here. This is kind of probably your best local long if you were going to look for it. Although you SFP'd that one already, liquidity grabbed. Now you just wait for this. We call it SFP of SFP. So if you swing 72.2, and you reclaim it, that could be the next long setup or decent long setup on Solana in the downtrend to then obviously. At that point there, what you would do is you would pull your anchored VWAPs, right, from the top to the low. So obviously that comes there down, depending wherever it swings low to, and then you look for a local golden pocket 786 retrace to get in short for the continuation move down. But for now, yeah, Solana 77 give or take could be a decent short if it comes back up. Otherwise, yeah, you're looking at 72.2 locally is what I was looking at. ETH. Ethereum, yeah, stuck below the anchored VWAP from 2500. Back within the volume. Oh, this is a value area low. So this was the macro profile we were hoping it would get back above. It didn't at 1911. Composite profile. Don't necessarily want to extend that because it broke out. Let me just use another chart quickly to see what the.
Yeah.
My mouse ain't clicking. What's going on here? And why I'm doing this is right. Number one, just to explain myself, right? Ranging price action on the 4 hour. And obviously the bottom profile is like 1700 and somewhere down here. And this is just on the Binance chart, but yeah, locally 1840. So anything there? Yeah, well, it's basically what I was looking at yesterday, right? This local golden pocket, anchored VWAP, naked. They've got the 2 daily naked points of control either side. Money flow probably looks like money flow's only just crossed red on ETH, where Solana's absolutely trashed. Bitcoin's looking trash as well. So ETH is actually still holding up a little bit better than Bitcoin and Solana at this point. Yeah, a lot of confluence at 1840, give or take, right? This zone that I was marked out yesterday. You got opportunity for swing failure patterns, or you got opportunity divergence. Yeah, bullish divergence. You take this low. While bullish divergences are kind of my bread and butter.
Yeah.
That looks like it can form on any oscillator. Obviously, I use markets alpha B, but they'll be there on RSI. They'll be there on momentum. They'll be MACD, yeah, whatever kind of starch. So just pick your poison as to what oscillator you use, but generally looking as if we should get 4 hour bullish divergences on some of the oscillators if this continues down. But the pretense there is that you have to break 1855 lows close to don't worry about the wicks, but I generally prefer them from close to close or body. So also pick your poison how you want to do your divs. That's just personal preference, but essentially it looks as if this will put in a 4 hour bullish divergence in and around this area between 1800 and 1800 and 1840. At worst case, literally you've got the 2 anchored VWAPs from the lows, the different lows, if this thing just decides to maximize. Yeah, obviously you got this one from the very low, which is now in the box between 1780 and 1800. So you've got a key level of support. You just need to wait for the divergence, and you need to wait for reclaims, essentially, or kind of a sign of strength is what they call it. Let it show you that it wants to push back up, then long it and put your stop below the low with the risk managed between 1 to 1.5% of your account, or even lower, depending how much your risk tolerance is. But generally, 4 hour bullish divergences, if they do present, they'll give you a bet. They should, or they normally could give you a decent move, decent few percentage move, rather than kind of the risks you would put on for scalp trades with lower risk percentages. You kind of 4 hour bullish divergences and daily bullish divergences. Yeah, I swing for fence. I go 3.5%, 4% sometimes of account. So yeah, and don't at me for saying that I do stupid things like that. But the thing is, the opportunity cost of missing a swing trade and not swinging for the fences on a swing trade is opportunity cost of missing a swing trade and not risking accordingly to make it a swing trade and make the most out of it is better. And then you take obviously the risk, right? So you can risk more. So locally here, if I was going along, I wouldn't risk more than 0.5. But because there's key zones below, getting very kind of key confirmations or confluences, yeah, 3.5%, 4% of account. And yeah, there's only one in a few, right? So the bulk of my trades are like 1.5%, give or take, or even 2% sometimes, depending on where they're presenting. Mm-hmm. Essentially, if you see a swing set up, you've got to swing. You know?
Yeah, exactly.
You're only as good as the trades you take, not the trades you miss, right? So if you see the setup, take it. Exactly, boy, exactly. So for ETH, actually, I've got alerts on the daily naked points controls. I've got some alerts just set anyway, kind of hidden in the background for it because it looks like a good setup. Ideally as well, looking over August. Usually, if August is going to be bearish, there is still a push up in August. Initially, in the first few kind of weeks or first week, it doesn't just bearish and then just collapse. There's normally a small little push if you're looking back at history, looking at kind of the months, kind of how they worked out. Steve, why are you asking me to look at WorldCoin, boy? Come on, man. I can look at it for you. WLD. Do I even have it? I don't even know if I looked at it. I might have looked at it on the Sculpt chart. Just give me a minute. I'm just gonna flip screens.
Yep.
I'm sure I looked at. Oh no, I have to open a chat. I can look at it for you. I've got like 10 more minutes. WLD. USDT.P. Let's look at Binance. Oh no, I do have it. Oh, there's it there. Oh, this is probably okay.
Beautiful downtrend.
Beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. Sorry, my mouse is playing.
That's all good, bro.
I have to turn it off and on. Look where I don't even know how long ago I looked at this, but look where it rejects. Naked weekly points in DN box. It's like volume is the key to trading, I think.
Yeah.
Or one of the good keys.
For sure.
Daily. Yeah, this literally bounced there, literally back tested all this volume, took out these highs. There's no somewhat on the daily. Yeah, that's fine. Probably bouncing off the value. Oh, might need to shut that one there. Came back in, back tested.
Pretty close.
Yeah, this is this is brother. This is no good, no bueno.
Is there an order block there too?
If it does it, I'll have a look for time framing, but it looks as if just on a kind of the composite value areas, it's pretty much bouncing off like 29.47-ish, which is a value area high. Obviously, this can be adjusted slightly as well. Probably just pull this back and maybe we'll actually move up. Yeah, so basically it's bounced off the back test of the value area high before the breakouts. And you're looking there. Yeah, broke down from there. It didn't back test. Yeah, it came back in, dropped back in. Look, yeah, came down, dropped, hit this value area low, back to value area high, value area low, value area high. Boom. Down. So the volume profiles play out. Or they are a cheat code. And then I think there's just this one here. But actually, yes, I've only had this mouse like 4 months, I swear, and I need to change it. I think the button's fucked up. Right, quickly daily order blocks. Daily order block there. Just look for local stuff and then give a synopsis of. There is an order block here that hasn't been fully mitigated.
Yeah, that's the one I was looking at.
So you could come back into there still. You're probably hitting your 786. You're very close to kind of invalidating this whole move up. Yeah, 78. Oh, you're below the 786 the whole move up, which is not good.
Oh shit, not good.
Oh shit, not good. I can look for daily naked points controls, but I don't know how they are going to look at dailies, weeklies. Probably a hang of a lot above you just because of how the trend is. Yeah, it won't pick up. There's one in the middle of the candle. It's also not good. Essentially, you want POCs closer to the wicks of the bottoms of the highs of the candles. So it's fairly neutral. So yeah, there's not much. Weeklies. Let's just quickly check weekly POCs, weekly order blocks. Yeah, flipping hell. Last chance hurrah on this for WorldCoin is here at your weekly POC. Yeah, right. So that's that. So call it 24 cents. 24 cents is the death or destruction zone, never to return from the abyss. Right. If it gets back there and doesn't hold there, write this thing off for once and for all. Never look at it again. There's a weekly order block here as well. It's 23.5 to 24 cents. And then just putting my colors right. Yeah, but also as well, your POCs at the bottom of this. I do not like it. Obviously, your whole range POC. I was looking for a short currently. I'll probably be looking for a short around 33 cents, but I don't even know if it's going to get there. It's very weak. 33 cents pretty much looks like a short zone. 32 to 33 cents. Dojiing. Let's quickly check money flows. It's got a daily green dot, but it's again trade money flow. It's not going to do much. 4-hour money flow has been an absolute bloodbath. It's a drop down from wherever it got to like 50, 60 cents. Yeah. Even with bullish divergences, bullish divergence didn't bounce. Bullish divergence didn't bounce. Looks like an absolute poopy doobie. This is like, so essentially, you do have a support zone at 28 cents, give or take, Steve, and then if it does and can pop up, like 33 cents is your resistance zone, and that's a lot from where it is now. I think what 20? Oh no, it's 10. What was it? 10% move. Yeah, it's like a 10% move back up. 1 hour. But yeah, kind of you're between a rock and a hard place here on this because you've bounced off kind of backtest to the value area high that it built, to the range it built before it had the big move up again recently. And then, yeah, like 32 to 33 is probably your resistance zone. It could still bounce again. It could still sweep these lows at like 29.5. But ideally, kind of from there, if it gets back below 30 cents, essentially, it's just a short and hold it. Short and hold it back down to 24 cents. But yeah, that's quite a bit done. Let's see what Bitcoin's doing. So yeah, WorldCoin, look for 33. Otherwise, if it sweeps 29.5, there could be another long. Otherwise, if it loses 29.5, it's going to go back to 24. Or could go back. Probabilities as it comes back down for the weekly order block and the weekly naked point of control. Money flow and everything looks like absolute ass on it as well. So it's kind of supportive of it going lower still.
Piece of garbage.
It's a piece of garbage. Yeah, so just be careful with it. If you're longing it, yeah, be careful. And also as well, if you hold spot and you're not at least in profit or kind of close to break even, I would be contemplating either offloading some spot if I was kind of close to profit or in profit. It's just the trend. And then all you do, like with these type of coins, you don't buy here. Yes, you can buy here for the opportunity cost, right, of actually getting it back up there. But what would you rather want? You'd rather want to come take out these highs, give you a higher low, buy at the higher low to go higher, right? Let it show you it wants to go up. And this is the thing that I think I was good at when I started in crypto in 2020. I realized you can let the move go without you, right? Buy the higher low or short the lower high. And yet, obviously, the way that I trade with using order flow, you do snipe. But essentially, you can miss a move and you can still get back in on the move, right? If the move's showing strength and the move is still going, right? You don't have to always catch a top or a bottom, which is kind of my thing. But by that, it's, yeah, you can catch a higher low or short to lower high. So spot on this not looking good. I would say just be wary if you do hold it on spot. Back to Bitcoin. Jeez, 2 hour stream for today. Yeah, it's well, what day? It's still daily, still bearishly engulfing. Although the daily money flow hasn't faked out yet on Bitcoin. So that's the next saga. If this rolls over and crosses back red, that's when that's when probably the trend will continue down, I think. See what Busy is doing on here. Yeah, so we're starting to get into the Asia, or not the Asia, the UK. Fuck. Get your words right, Darren. The London, the New York session liquidity, because it's now 9 a.m. EST. Getting my words out, not thinking right. Just please. Yeah, I'm looking for a sweep down. If New York do it, we could probably go look at TradeFly. Let's look at some tradies. Yeah, ES pushed up overnight. It's now lost kind of all the anchored view up supports. It's back within it's not back within previous day range. It's above daily open. I would think they come for this. So I would think the move on ES and Nasdaq is probably a little bit of a retrace into New York Open, or when New York opens. Nasdaq just went. Some order blocks in here. Demand zone here on the low of the week, previous weekly low. Also, same thing. Got like 3-4 drives and struggling to make a new high. Same with ES. It's not looking. It's a life hack. So yeah, just Nasdaq looking as if it's topping a little bit for now. I'll probably come back into this zone as well. 28,000, 28,100. I see Bank of Japan didn't raise. They kept their rates, and like clockwork, they don't raise their rates, and it just, the 6J or the Japanese bonds fell, and USD JPY from Asia session goes back up, or kind of rolled over, was sideways and then rolled over when they didn't raise, which is not good. So they only basically did a two-prong intervention where they bought Japanese yen, or sold treasuries, bought Japanese yen, and then also bought Japanese bonds, the 6J1. So this is not looking specifically for this whole carry trade. Everyone larps on about the carry trade. Carry trade's not unwinding just yet. There's just too much weakness in the Japanese bonds and USD JPY. Or the Japanese yen strength against the US dollar. So it's looking as if it's but this also as well, this kind of the way that it's positioned, if USD JPY goes up, Japanese bonds go down, generally that's like, it's like a bullish, it is kind of almost bullish sentiment, or bullish a bullish mechanism to think that like ES, Nasdaq, stocks, shares, all that shit will go up.
Do you think maybe, this is what I kind of been thinking, but I don't know, but do you
look
think,
at SpaceX.
can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Oh, okay. Do you think that because we already experienced the carry trade thing or whatever, and everyone's been talking about it for a year, that it might be like slowly being priced in a bit? Because it's like not surprised. Right?
The issue is though with the carry trade, maybe Papa, if he's here, or maybe later he can speak about it. I think the whole thing with the carry trade issue is that what the US Fed is doing is not conducive to actually helping the Japanese carry trade to unwind at the rate they needed to unwind at, for it to be damaging, right, to like stock shares and cause a capitulation. On the other side of the Japanese carry trade is obviously what the Fed in the US doing. And the Fed in the US are basically printing all this, like doing everything monetarily to negate essentially what the Bank of Japan are doing. So it was good that we saw the eventual carry trades kind of play out. Like I think it was August 2024 was the big one, or the last big one. But also as well at that point, they didn't have the counter of the Fed. Right, I think August 24 the Fed was still in a hiking. So, and also as well, there's lots of kind of monetary mechanisms and things that's not really giving the carry trade unwind or the Japanese interventions the juice they need to actually cause cool-offs. So yeah, it's they can try all they might. So until such time as the Fed start hiking rates, I think the Japanese carry trades or kind of any of the interventions where they sell treasuries, buy Japanese yen, buy back the bonds, that's really going to have little to no effect until the Fed are back in a hiking cycle in America. SpaceX is up slightly in pre-market. Yeah, I'm looking at SpaceX below 100 if I'm gonna partake. Daily red dot from yesterday.
Solana Long's printing right now a little bit. Just a little scalpy scalp from the start.
Yeah, it's actually based out and formed a bottom. Obviously, it had the sell-off after. I'm just looking at SpaceX because a few people will still be interested in it.
Oh yeah.
But literally just slid from like 170. It just slid down. It's actually starting to range now, which is ideally what you want. Yes, it could still go lower, range a bit, and then drop again. But it's building volume-weighted supports, which is good. Probably the lower time frame. Yeah, I'm still looking sub 100, probably closer to between 85 and 90. Kind of my zone, but sub 100 probably I'm starting to look to buy this thing. Well, that's a discount. That's basically what 2x at least if it gets back to pre-RPO or RPO price. Gets back to 160, get a 2x. That's fine. Kind of over the long term. Yeah, it's still in a local downtrend though. Needs to get back above 117, 118. But this is not tradable for me. This is just kind of looking at points. Once it has enough price action and enough history. But for now, kind of I'm looking between 85 to 100 as a zone. I think it was Microsoft who was the one that cheated yesterday. Yeah, Microsoft had a cheat based off their earnings. Huge gap to fill. Amazon's not filled the gap yet. Amazon's got a huge gap back down to like 228. Was that yesterday? Oh, that was yesterday open. But it's coming back down now. Amazon. Yeah, Nvidia circle jerk is finishing off now, I think, as well. Not to be rude, but I think Nvidia's had its. No, but like for 2-3 years, it was just like buy Nvidia, like buy and chill, and you were in the money, right? Before they did the stock splits.
So what stocks should I buy today, Darren? Tesla? Tesla's down. It looks like Tesla might turn around, eh?
Oh, I had a zone. I don't know if I was right about it, but I think about 240 was the zone on Tesla. There was accumulation. Oh yeah. This was the zone initially. Between 240 and 280 was the zone. Obviously, they had this. Even 220s. Let me just turn the EMAs off. So you had this zone here. It's just accumulation zones. Oh, this is obviously on, what is this, on the daily. So you had accumulation there. And obviously this big accumulation here. Obviously it deviated, but like here, this zone as a whole, looking at it as a hot dog, like literally anything between like 200 and 280. But closer to 240 would have been a good buy. And I know a few people have picked up more at 240. I think Alex did. I think it was. Nice. I can't remember. I think he picked up a bit. I don't know when but he always buys Tesla and he buys a few things like monthly. He just buys and holds.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing too.
Yeah, this could come down. It's not going to move down like 10%, but kind of the bar zone is here for me. Bar zone, if it comes back down the first bar zone, if I was going to look at this, Tesla would be between like 220 or 230 and 280 basically. There's a huge zone there. Order blocks. Happy Gaparini. There's a gap here between 240 and 246. It's below that. Yeah, it's below that there. Where did it get to yesterday? Yesterday came back down to just below 300. Yeah, weekly's bottoming out on this already as well. But like these, some of these are just like only up. Yeah, it's still, I don't know. I'm just a stickler for my averaging in prices or starting averaging in. So not financial advice, but sub 280 looks good on Tesla. 280 to 240 in that zone for now. And then if it breaks, then your next kind of decent bit of is like below 200. Yeah, I don't like. Oh, jeez. Apple decided to have a dive. Apple dived 7% post market. Pre-market, it's already at 307. Closed at 333 for whatever results or whatever it was. That's madness. And it's below the 5 moving average. Okay, that gap was closed. So it literally closed that gap. Closed this gap. Yeah, Apple. Surprised Apple dumped because obviously they're the only ones that not really kind of have AI capex, I think. Apple's another one, obviously. That's another one that's kind of, in my opinion, right? Let's take that for what it's worth.
I got some Apple.
I like Apple.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, Apple and Tesla are kind of two ones I'll keep my eye on for big dips. Look, yeah, I'm off the Nvidia train. I didn't catch it, but I knew a lot of people that made a hang of a lot of money off Nvidia. After 2020, Amazon I'm not interested in. It's popped up too much. SpaceX I'm interested in. 100 down to $85. Stop looking when that happens. Yes, Coinbase missed its earnings. What's new? I don't know why you'd want to invest in this. I know someone that picked it up at $20. I still think they got it. They bought, late 2023. Like, no. Where did they buy? They bought sometime in 2023. I don't know where it was. Fuck, maybe I'm talking shit.
You might be. Just bugging you, buddy.
It's $40. It's probably about 40. It was in this zone. I know it was in this accumulation. Maybe like $40. Yeah, that did a 10x. 10x in 2 and a bit years. Yeah, I don't like Coinbase. It's just pre-market, what's it down? 5%. I think it was just also as well this missed estimates or missed earnings or whatever it was. Gold. Let's see what's happening with gold.
Yeah, everyone.
While we're at it, what's Bitcoin doing?
I love
gold.
No.
On what,
barely.
Solana?
Yeah, barely. It's not even 1-to-1 yet.
Flinging. I think they're going to do a sweep down.
Yeah.
Gun to my head. What I think is going to happen? I think New York will sweep one more lower, put it in the low for the day, and then come back up over the weekend.
Yeah, I wouldn't put it.
Yeah, I had a macro, and it was just local. Gold loves order blocks. For anyone that Anyone that wants to learn just kind of a quick specific with gold, just look for big high time frame order blocks daily. Obviously, this is more of a demand zone because it's built out, right? Built out a few bearish candles. So let's do a red. Like, yeah, there's a huge demand zone, and that's why it's just sitting there, right? Because there's a lot of obviously it's the spring from when it went from 4 to 5k. Essentially, this was the launch zone. So it's in a key demand zone at the moment, or key support between like 3900 and 4k. Yeah, the issue is obviously if you lose that zone, for anyone that looks at gold, you've got all this, going to run on that. They're going to sell off on it. Obviously, the next zone is like 3,500. Locally 4 hour. I don't look at TradeFly stuff all that often. I look at it every kind of now and again, just when I get alerts.
Yeah, same. Just casual.
But yeah, casually looking at it. Yeah, 4 hour, it's accumulating again. This is the thing with gold, right? Obviously, that for people that don't know how it operates or how it works. I'd take that. Stop. It ranges for a while and then it moves. It's an accumulation range, right? So obviously you can see my mouse is doing shitty things to me. So obviously here it had the range and the trend all the way down, right? The right button, Darren. So that was the range down, all of that. And now it's found the support back on 4k. Ideally, what a lot of gold traders would do, they either accumulate here positions and then hopefully it breaks up. Because obviously 4k psychological support for those things. So essentially, I would think this is the case. But also as well, the thing to remember with gold moves when the Fed hikes. So if people are accumulating here, the expectation is kind of you watch gold as also a precursor to rate hikes, because it will only move in a hiking cycle when your money is debased, essentially, or less money in supply. So yeah. So when they print money, gold drops. When they print money for wars and shit, gold drops, right?
Yep.
So that's kind of my thoughts on it. It's in a support, but obviously 4k is a bit too expensive for me. I was actually going to look and I was thinking maybe it does one more drop down, like 3,600. Might start looking at long positions on it. And for those, I don't know which exchanges have it, but PaxG, you can trade gold on centralized exchanges. PaxG and XAUT, I think, is the other one. The Tether Gold, if they have it. It's like, or not pop-in. What are they called? CFD accounts. So I can kind of just buy a position and hold it if I need to. Which I did. I had one a while ago. I caught some of this move up in 2022, 2023. Caught some of a move up somewhere, like somewhere here.
Nice.
Before it hit 3k, I caught a bit of a move from like 2.5 to 3,000. Held that thing for like a few months. But yeah, that's gold. Not a hang of a lot going on. It's basically ranging, right? And if, yeah, our base case is obviously, and maybe Papa can chime in as well. They would accumulate now in expectation of rate hikes, or allocate more to gold as a hedge against rate hikes. But yeah, Bitcoin. Got 10 minutes to New York Open. Sorry, I just need to quickly check what's happening. Oh, I can't check what's happening there. But yeah, that's basically it. Let's go back to Bitcoin. Just ranging.
Yeah.
Bitty. But yeah, that's basically it. Bitcoin, I'm hoping for a swap down, catch a weekend long. Weekend long, next week short.
Yeah, that's what I'm hoping for too.
Where did Solana? Did you long Solana?
Yeah.
It bounced off the low of the week. It's like those are always. I know, obviously, it's
Oh, we're already.
It's not ideal to just long a level.
Yeah, we're already in the good short from yesterday, so it's just taking a little scalp shot.
Yes.
Bitcoin.
Yeah, one thing I just saw now pop on screen was the it's month end today, so we are going to get a little bit of volatility. I don't know if this will work, but let me just quickly show you options. The options chain was showing that they were offloading a bit. If it loads, I'll try and see if it loads. I can explain what's going on here. Not load. Nah, it's not working. But essentially, what I was seeing, so into FOMC, options dealers on Deribit were accumulating Bitcoin. Yesterday, they were offloading spot Bitcoin. Currently, today, doesn't want to work. If I can change servers and see if it works, if I change servers. Currently today, can't see on the 0 DTEs. Yeah, I would think they're going. I think this thing has gone negative gamma. It can bloody work. Give me a minute.
Yep, take your time. Just chilling, bro.
If it loads, yeah, sometimes it doesn't load. Or that's I really need to show the 0 DTEs. On the heat maps, I'm going to show. But there's a guy who builds like stuff on Market Monkey Terminal. He built this for Deribit for the options chains. Essentially now, you can see now they. Don't know if that's going to work. Yeah, that works better. But you can see got negative gamma. You've got a max pain at 64 locally, so they're probably going to climb pull price back up to 64,000. Locally, if they wanted to kind of make max pain today in inverted commas, and there are only 484 Bitcoin on the 0 DTEs hedged. So they've only on the current DTE or 0-day expiry contracts, there's only 500 Bitcoin kind of hedged against that, right? But on your weekly, you've got gamma transition, negative gamma, negative dealer delta. Sorry. I'm getting confused. They're basically short on the weekly and the 0 DTEs. They're short, and the gamma's transitioning to negative gamma on the weekly, which when you get negative gamma, it's a trend following. It's trend following for the options. It's like they're setting a trend now. So basically, I think they might set trend down. It's just on the monthly, but the monthly will flip out tomorrow and new options will open. But yeah, monthly, they still need to close above 62.5. So that's the POC. The net Vegas 1%, 1 million. The net monthly, they're still holding on for dear life to hope that Bitcoin closes above 62,500 today. But essentially, I think they're going to peg this thing between 63.5 and 64. Put these local puts on options, or local inverted commas short options on a bit of pressure. They're not heavily hedged. They're not heavily net short as well. Nothing kind of drastic locally on the 0 DTEs. So it looks as if they want to run the trend lower, but to put them under pressure and put them under pain, I think they do probably push back to 64K. Yeah. Oh, Solana just got a popski.
Yeah, I was just looking at my long. We're almost at a 1-to-1.
Not bad. Yeah, but this this London session. Oh, we out of the London session. Are we in the crossover? Yeah, you normally expect kind of a false move around the handovers between London and New York. Let's just see if this bad loads back up. This is a problem now. Kind of flipping between the options thing and the normal order flow. Yeah, there's some longs coming in locally.
Nice.
Longs coming in locally on Bitcoin. You have the daily POC currently at 64,400 above those highs. All kind of in line with the highs before we dropped off into London session. Alright, my son's just messaging me or calling me.
Oh yeah.
Yes, sorry, I'm back. Son just wants to go to the park later, so that's fine. We'll sort him out, take him out for a bit in the afternoon. Well, the New York afternoons anyway, like after 12 p.m. New York's on a Friday, New York session's a drag, so yeah, kind of get off the charts and then come back in later after New York closes.
Yeah, Fridays they can be okay or they can be not okay. Hopefully we get a little pump ski.
Just put in a poor low. There's no volume at this low. Also not ideal. Not ideal. Yeah, I reckon they might run it. I reckon they might run the low. Eventually.
Yeah, no, for sure. Always ready for a good sweep.
I reckon it's going to sweep 64. I reckon it's going to put those puts under pressure. 0 DTEs. Degen options. Put them under pressure. 64 is not much of a move. It's less than 0.5%. So
yeah.
Makes sense.
Yeah, it won't be hard for him.
Yeah. I mean, I've overstayed my welcome. I think I'm gonna hop off, but yeah, bias Bitcoin maybe a little bit up, but ideally best case for me is a sweep long. Sweep long on Bitcoin if it does sweep these equal lows that were created in London session. The options chain is showing me they do want to kind of hopefully get back above 64. So best case for me now is just something like that. And then also as well, another sweep down does give you divergences on certain time frames. So yeah, I'm gonna call it there for today. Thanks for listening to me for like an hour and a bit.
Than's for coming and hang out.
Going over a whole lot
bro.
of crap.
It's always a good time.
It's always good. It's good. Friend in need's a friend indeed, bro.
Yes, sir.
Friend with weed is better.
I got both.
Yeah, bro. It's all good. Thank you for kind of letting me come on, and you're a good mate. Appreciate you.
Yeah, for sure, bro. Appreciate you too. Have a great day.
Cool. Yeah, you too. So I'm gonna pop off and then I'll probably come back into chat, but I've got a few things to do. I'll check you guys back later in Discord.
Okay, cheers.
Man, take care.
Printing, baby. We're back to printing. Oh, I messed up my soundboard. No, I still got one. I could just stay in Darren's call. We're back. If anyone's new here, welcome.
Welcome to the China Call.
So I TP at this anchored VWAP here. It's going to be resistance probably. And Bitcoin's being a wanker. Oh, dude, that was way deeper than I thought it was going to go. That was an 888. Shout out to Piper. Platinum Pocket. Shout out to Piper. We got an 888, baby. Live on a Friday. Juicy. 888. Slight deviation. Pew! Platinum Pocket. Let's go. Shout out to Piper and his filthy Platinum Pocket. I should have waited for the Platinum Pocket, Pipeski. I like laddering in, like, honestly, I like laddering in, because I don't like taking stops. They make me mad. And I know yourself and know your enemy and need not fear 100 battles, as they say. So anyways, I like laddering in. I'll do an order at my trip zone here. I'll do another quarter order at the 786, and then I'll do 2 quarters at the 888 Platinum Pocket, baby. Stop below the lows. Average entry somewhere down here, and see how it goes. But that's just me, though. Everyone likes to trade differently. That's fine. That is fine. Already? Oh no! Already. New York, is it open? 1 minute, baby, 1 minute. Yeah, this looks like we're going for the sweep right now. Going for the sweep. That's a fatty engulfer. This don't look great, bro. Not on the 5 minute. Just gonna put that here. Just gonna get the frick out of the way. We do have 2 juicy white lines down here. Solana's being a piece of garbage too. Yeah, it's still holding a little better. A little bit. We also have an anchored VWAP below here, and Solana does love stopping me out lately, so that could happen. Bitcoin, ooh, buy it up, baby, buy it up. Let's check out the battlefield real quick. Oh, bro, this candle killing me. Boom, bears, licky in the longs. Let's go, bears win, bears win. Flyby, victory, flyby. Patience pays. Shout out to Seti Spaghetti. I bought a little bit of stocks and a little bit of Bitcoin and Ethereum and Solana while we were chilling. Thanks, and shout out to Darron Does Things. I'm sure one of the beautiful mods has his link, or I can drop it again. And I just got cut from my soundboard. F you, Clyde. F you. What's this guy say? Yeah, lakes are bad for that. Bad connection at the lake. Yeah, I figured lakes are bad for that. Darron Does Things. SBS can not. Oh, sweet, bro. Let's go, Bulls. Push, push, push. Oh, dude. There's the sweep, bro. Stop. That's why I put it out of the way. I knew it was going to happen. Dude, this is horrible, bro. Going for the white lines again. Hopefully they can hold this time. We do have a daily moving average here. I believe it's a 50. Yeah, it's a 50. We got the 50 daily moving average here. Anchored VWAP here. Couple POCs here. Hopefully we can hold. Oh, I should take profit on my short. On Solana. Oh, it's edging me on the short TP too. Stuck between a rock and a hard place. Coma was printing. Glad I took profits, because now it's not printing. Glad I took profits on Coma. What did I get on Coma? Uni shorts in profit 10%. Bank longs in profit 8%. You guys, show it to Bad Doggy and his greasy bank long. Hype longs up 7%. Burb shorts up 50%. So we're printing on the Burb short. Still lingering around here from this morning at the beginning of the live stream. Coma is being a piece of garbage, but it did give me a TP here somewhere. I don't know why. Is that all it was? It was just right here. Right there. So I got a TP out of Coma. I can drop it here. Gotta go on the history, order history. Coma. 30%. I squeezed 30% out of this thing twice. Once was 29%, once was 30%. Send it to myself. Sending. Just so you know, I'm not lying like a piece of garbage. Where's my chat? Where's my chat with myself? So I did manage to take profit on this low right here and squeeze out a juicy 30% on my horrible short. See, even a bad trade can turn into a good trade if you practice trading. No, it's just a lucky move, you guys. Lucky little trick shot. Absolutely flying. Nice, an SPX. Nice, I just bought some SPX, bro. While Darron was charting, I bought some Tesla and some SpaceX. I think that's it this morning. And Bitcoin, Solana, and ETH. Oh, this is getting bought up nicely, bro. Solana is not stopping me today? No, this is gonna stop me, bro. This is gonna stop me. I'd scalp a short. Scalp a short, baby. Scalp a short. I'm sure it's gonna stop me. Biddy, that got bought up nice, bro. What was that on? The anchored VWAP? Pretty much. Ish. It's a tease. Yeah, it'll go deeper. I'm sure it'll go deeper. That's a lot of volume on the short here. But we're already in the short from yesterday, so I can't really, like... I guess I could redrop a little one. But it's just gonna be a little one. It's just gonna be a little guy. Might not even work that great. Because, like, I'm looking for a long soon. But see if we get a sweep. Or hit these white lines again. That's just a 1 to 2 good. It's just a 1 to 2. If I get 2 stops, I'm gonna cry, you guys. Just kidding. The short from yesterday was a 1 to 8, so that covers a few stops. We should be okay. Yeah, they dumped into those puppies. Nice, I know. Maybe this 1 to 2 turns into a 1 to a million. What do we have next for a target here? After the 50-day, after the anchored VWAPs, after everything, what do we got? What do we got? Macro golden pocket, I guess, or something? That's a ways away. 0.5 fib, maybe? In this golden pocket. And I got a white line down here at 59.9. 60,000. I got a juicy volume line there. That's a ways down though. We're squeezing between these anchored VWAPs from the highs and the lows right now. Chopping between WAPs, as I like to call it. Chopping between WAPs. If this holds, this short is not going to work, and the long will work. But we already got stopped on a long, so which is fine. Like I said, we covered it. Solana didn't stop me today for some reason yet. But it looks like the short might print for a bit. See, the half hour, the long looks good, bro. The long looks good. Like, if I had to sit in something between now and Sunday, I would probably try to sit in a long. But scalping wise, we probably scalp a short here. Maybe get a sweep. Maybe a ping off this VWAP. I think it's a VWAP. Yeah. At 72.8. Obviously, try again down here. If it doesn't work. And yeah, baby. That's that. And let's check out the battlefield. It's almost time to head over to Piper Academy, too. Did he answer? Oh, Jesse, thanks for the freaking link drop. Oh, yeah, Jesse, I forgot I did bring you something. I picked you up this for breakfast on my way. I gotta find it, though. That. Jump back in. On a call with myself. I'm surprised no one gave it to you for me, Jesse. I asked them to pass it along to you. But I guess since you're here and I'm here, I'll give it to you myself. Oh, no stream on Piper Academy today. Well, frick, bro. Everyone's got the day off, but old JR is doing 3 hours, eh? Thank God Darron does things help me out. Gave me a little bit of a chill sesh to buy some stocks and crypto this morning.
It's been a minute since I wrote a song sober. Overworking. I've been in my zone since October.
Keep going. Keep going. Don't shower, eat breakfast. Don't shower, eat breakfast. Yeah, right, bro. I'm gonna shower and eat breakfast at 8 a.m. 7:30, 8 a.m. right now. We got 20 minutes to see if the long prints like I wanted to, or if the short just keeps shorting. Check my Solana. Still edging me. Stuck between a short and a long here on my hedgertons. Appreciate each and every one of you. Thanks for showing up and showing up for the Ninja Gang. We're down to 10 beautiful viewers. We had 23. Darron got most of it. And now we're chilling. Waiting for the long to print. Appreciate Darron. Appreciate the backup, bro. And appreciate the link drop in Frankie's. And yeah, hopefully I can catch a couple extra subbers. And the scalp shorts printing. So that's good, I guess, for that. And we'll see if this entry gets hit. But hopefully not. Hopefully I don't take a stop. But I'm okay if I do. I'm okay. We've made enough this week. So there we just earned back our stop loss. Approaching a 1 to 2 here. So that covers that one here. Yeah, I usually live stream the shower and breakfast in the Discord, yep. What are you joshing about? Oh, Piper's AC is a... Got you. Monthly VWAP. What are you just joshing about? I missed it. What do you Oh, F your long. Yeah, I know, bro. F my long, too. But I think it'll play out over the weekend, honestly. Oh, sweet. My short's in profit here. About to take profit on my Solana short. Bitcoin scalp shorts printing. It F'd my long too, bro. It F'd my long too. Boom! White lines, baby. 20-day moving average. Taking profit. Come on, Solana. Don't edge my freaking short TP, bro. It just flashed it real quick. Give it to me again. One more time, baby. Oh, it's edging me, bro. Whatever. I'll save it for later. Oh, hedging on a budget, baby. Hedging on a budget. Burb is up 43%. Hype up 4%. Bank long up 5.72%. Tesla long negative 13%. Uni short plus 15%. Injective long negative 3.83%. Coma short up 9%. 10%. And Walmart. I'm in Walmart. Negative 8% on Walmart. Yeah. Let those print away. Oh shit, the freaking short, bro. Solana, don't edge me, bro. You're so close. You're so close. Oh, there, got it. Boom. Taking Oh, it just edged back. I still got the profit, but still, it could have been slightly better. But that's okay. It's not that bad. Some people don't even get to take profit at all. I'm freaking blessed, bro. Super blessed. Taking profit with friends is funner than taking profit alone.
Fatality, fatality, fatality.
Shout out to TP, Ninja TP button in the Discord. Join the Discord, free link in the description. Click a ref link, help support a small community and a Canuckian trapped in an igloo, pushing buttons, trying to achieve financial freedom. Beautiful engulfing candle. It's trying to scare everyone. I'm not falling for it, MM. I'm not falling for it. Can't get me. La 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 la. Anyway, should we try to long in off these white lines? I feel like it's too premature still. Yeah, I'll wait. It's too premature for the long re-entry. It's close though. It's close. Very close. Dude, I think we should just try it, bro. We got our stop loss back plus 1 R of profit. Should we just try the long here? Let's just try it. Can't scare me, MM. White line long, let's go. Stopped instantly. What kind of stop should I put on this? 0.5 at least. Give it some room at first, because I don't know how far it's going to wick down here. Give it some room. Give it some room. Just in case. Target this stuff up here. So 1 to 3.69. Let's see if it works. And failing. Just kidding. We'll see. Yeah. I'm trying to pull it right now, but I don't know. It seems premature. And educational, entertainment purposes only. Don't be like me. Our short from yesterday's printing. Made up for the stop loss already on this short right here. Plus 1 hour profit, so we could take another stop. Ain't no thing but a chicken wing. Already up 8 hours on that puppy. Going on more. 8.42. And yeah. See how it goes, bros. See how it goes. Took profit on the short. Long. See how it goes. See if we can get a greasy Friday weekend long in here. Ooh, Obi-Wan Kenobi. I love that show. I love that show. Let's check out the battlefield. Zoom in on what these monkeys are up to. Oh my god, the bears. The bears. Slow down, the bears. The bears are killing us. Gunning for my stop. Oh, dude, my short's in profit again. Taking more profit on the short. Solana. Bulls pushing back. New battle. Let's see where we're at. Did we get stops on Solana yet? Nope. Didn't get stops on Solana yet. Bitcoin re-entry. Not stopped yet. Short still printing. What else? The big one's still printing. Took one stop. Made up for the stop. Printing, printing, printing. Printing with friends is funner than printing alone. And let's see if this holds. See if we can get another little jog out of this puppy. Do we get some untapped levels? No, we got those tapped. Tap, tap, tap. And this next one's real far away. There's a fib somewhere here. Our golden pocket trip zone. This might not work, but we're in the short anyways. We're in the short from yesterday, in the short from a second ago. So if it keeps printing, let it be. Show it to hedging. Hedge master. We got a 1 to a 2.8 out of that puppy. I'll catch your frickin' face with my fist, bad doggy. I'll catch your frickin' face with my fist, bruh. Shout out to bad doggy, you guys. This looks aggressive. Market open, 15-minute candle, mark the orb. Is it? Yeah. We'll mark the orb. We don't have much data up here. We could just play this orb, I guess. We could just play the orb. As soon as this 15-minute candle closes down here, we would long it. Or short it, sorry. And if it fails to close below, long it. I still did this though. I'm not going to pretend I didn't. I still tried to run this white line again. But if we get this 15-minute candle close below, we will do the short orb play. Stop above orb high. Target a 1 to 2. 1 to 3. Best case Ontario. If we get the candle close below here. Not enough. I don't got enough stuff going on here to pretty much just Orby 1 Kenobi in it. Orby 1 Kenobi in it. Dude, I know, bro. We just had a plumber the other day. $700 bucks, bro. Is the bearish orb gonna hold? LOL to you, all set. My buddy. Mocha cheers too. Appreciate anyone chilling, hanging out. Where'd my scalp short go that we already did from here, up here? Where'd that go? Did I delete it? Must have. Solana stopped. Solana got stopped. Oh, dude, should I take profit off my short again? Dang, I missed it. Hit that VWAP. Go down there. Hit that VWAP. What was that at again? 72.8? See that? that. And just in case it's a sloppy one, we'll do this. Oh, we gotta keep an eye on this orb though. How many more minutes? 9 minutes on this candle. And if it's a failed blah blah blah, we'll just stick with this. We will see. We will see. Shout out to you guys. $14 beautiful viewers. Appreciate each and every one of you. Thanks for showing up and showing up for the Ninja Gang. If you're new here, welcome.
Welcome
to the Ninja Gang.
to the Chinatown.
So 8 minutes for this bearish orb confirmation. Close below the orb, and then we'll try the short ski. Unless it fails to close down here, then we won't. Even though we're already in the short ski from yesterday. And then we got a quick scalp short ski in here, but I deleted it on accident, I think. Unless it's just real tiny. Oh, it's still there. It's just real tiny. It's right here. 1 to 3.42 out of that. Not too shabby, bro. That covers 3 stops and a bit of profit, and we only took 1 stop today so far. Going on 2 though, right here. Which will give us the orb confirmation in 5 minutes-ish. And hopefully it's not a fake out, otherwise that will be a stop and it will eat into our 3.4 hours. Yeah, last night's short was a banger. Hey, All Set, thanks for the shout out, bro. All Set was live in the Discord for this. Beautiful. What do we get out of this now? 1 to 9? 1 to 9. Yeah. I was worried about it. But I was like, I'm going for it. I'm dropping it. And I dropped it in the Discord. Send it, bro. Yeah, I'm glad I could help print some paper for the Discords, bro. That makes me happy when these work out nice like that. And that. And that. And that. And that. Friday, expect effery always on Fridays and Mondays.
Hey, I'm trying to set sail, but it's windless here. Yet I'm back now from the windless year. Yeah, I quit looking in a tinted mirror, and you see me draped up in that vintage gear. That's a clean slate. Miss me with that mean face. Boy, I'm cutting up.
No, I'm waiting. No, the orb's good. This is the orb. I front ran it though. I front ran it and shorted it here once I saw that my long idea wasn't gonna play out. And the volume increase on the short, I was like, we better hedge it. Jump back in the hedge. But yeah, we're getting the confirmation on the bearish orb. I don't see a reclaim of anything yet. 6 minutes for this candle close, but it's looking like it's holding pretty good below the orb. If you can see these little red lines here, these little red lines, the green line and the red line, that's this orb candle, and this is looking like a pretty bearish orb, a strong bearish orb. But we still got 5 minutes. In 5 minutes it could wick back up in here, so gotta wait. Gotta wait. Shout out to rules. Shout out to rules. Contrary to popular belief, I do have rules and I follow them more than I don't. I used to not. Then I lost a bunch of money. I was like, maybe I should follow the rules. Dump this shit! Dump this shit! Dusty's sending us to 0. Shout out to Dusty. Even if we go down today, I still expect to float upwards for the weekend. Even I gotta check my short. I gotta check my Salonga short. I might have to take profit again. Hamburger. I just saw hamburger. Dave's making me hungry and my shorts in profit. I do have to take profit on the head short again. Hard time, hard time. It's hard being a ninja. It's hard being a ninja, but it's worth it. Uni shorts up 18%. Tesla longs negative 22%. Bank longs up 4%. Hype long 2%. Burb short 40-some%. Coma shorts up 24% again. That's good. Can't hate that. Where's that negative 22 Tesla? I gotta fix you, buddy. Take that, Tesla. Take that, Tesla. 5 minutes, what? What? Oh, dude, we already got the bearish orb, eh? The clock's messing me up, bro. Oh, never mind. We didn't. I'm tripping. Yeah, the AI did slip it. They did jack some lyrics, but I don't know. I still appreciate it, so I wasn't gonna be a little wanker about it. But yeah, AI did jack some concepts from my bro, for sure. Okay, have a great day, Curtis Hill gang. Have a great day. Hope you have a juicy watermelon basil smoothie. And I hope you have a print-tastic weekend, sir. Yeah, it's Friday, bro. The war's back on. Yeah, we're drinking. Drink for peace. Drink for peace. Drink for peace. And Blaze on Crypto Coin Mindset tonight. Follow me on X for the link. I think I got a link right now. He always drops links early. Hang on, I can grab a link for Crypto Coin Mindset. Crypto on the rocks. We be drinking, we be trading, we be chilling, we be blazing. On Crypto Coin Mindset, Crypto on the rocks. Where is it? Right here. I got it. Show more. Copy link. Sloppy toppy copy. There's Crypto Coin Mindset live in the chat tonight at 7 p.m. Eastern. Come have a drink and a smoke and a pancake with Keith and Shuby and Badell and Joe and myself. And Dave Digital's usually chilling. When are you going live? I can't redirect. I can do a ghetto redirect in the chat. I don't have enough internet powers yet. I don't have enough internet powers, David. I think I need 500 subs or more or something. I don't know. I've tried it with Alex. We tried working through it. It didn't work. I don't know. It's kind of annoying. I wish I could. But we can do a ghetto redirect in the chat. That's what I usually do, to send them over to Alex O Cryptos or whoever's streaming. Do a ghetto redirect. As soon as you go live or schedule it and it shows up on my feed, I can drop the link. Oh, nice. I got it. Ghetto redirect in the chat, baby. Lunar Beach's Cryptos going live. Maybe we'll get to hear a juicy banger called catching fallen knives with no hands, baby. Shout out to David. Lunar Beach's Crypto. Friend of the channel. Link in the description and link in the chat for the live stream. In 2 beautiful minutes. Appreciate each and every one of you for showing up for the Ninja Gang. And I don't feel great about the short, man, because like we're already in the short from a good spot, and the scalp short from this morning is already printing. So I feel like this orb short is like a late short almost. I feel like it's a late tricky short just to F people up. I almost want to long it back into the orb from down here. Yeah, I really don't like this. I don't like that idea, bro. It might work, but we're already in the short, bro. We already have the freaking head short. And did our long get stopped? Not yet. So we'll just ride that out. We got our hedge. Where'd the hedge go, bro? Oh, I made it super skinny. Super skinny. Oh, bro, how do I get this out again? Ugh. Whatever, it's here. Right here, baby. We got a 1 to 4.42 this morning. 1 stop loss. And a 1 to 1.42. So we're up 3.4 Rs for this morning's live stream. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to Bobby Boucher. See y'all at Lunar Beach's crypto. Maybe the long prints back into the orb. Or maybe it wicks down to the anchored VWAP at 63. Anyone's guess at this point. I wouldn't put it past them. But either way, we're good to go. So happy printing. Appreciate each and every one of you. Peace. See ya. David.
Make it back if you don't play. It's 3 AM. Late. That's a different kind of dark. I pick the magic mushrooms up like it's Mario Kart. Push the start. Me and my dogs, they was posted at the park. We screaming big, 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 big. Call me Tony Stark. First we spark. I got some clarity. Somehow scorching through my screen ain't scaring me. No way. Surviving barely. Consequences come to night severity. They say I won't do it, now they daring me. I got bad habits, bad habits. Yes, I do. I swear I'm gonna change and then I'm back at it. I got bad habits, bad habits. That's for sure. How can I stay in tune when all I hear is static? What's the damage? How much? Got the cabbage. How much? Life is lavish. Oh wow. Now my code is woolly mammoth. What's the damage? How much? Send the package. How much? Cross the planet. Oh wow. I track the status from my hammock. Cold street, but I'm still gonna stay. Can't make it back